What's up, chat? What's up, chat? So what today we're gonna do? Yesterday I was like thinking about the competition, but I might not do something Vibe Club related for the OpenAI Buildathon. I can still switch what I was gonna build anyway. So we're gonna decide today what we'll build, and we'll build it in like 2 days because we have like 2 days for the OpenAI Build competition, and I do really want to win that just for the not for the money, but just for the what's it called, the day pass. That's the main thing I want from the competition, just the day pass, and that I can go and stream in the OpenAI office and just like record with the team and all that stuff. Or well, record with the team, you all know what I mean. One moment while I do this, just a quick check. Because I'm like experimenting with YouTube also more with like thumbnails and so on. The thumbnails are good. Like I'm now experimenting with thumbnails and shorts and so on, see what works, see what doesn't hit, and letting AI analyze all of it. And then we'll see what hits and what doesn't. I'm letting the AI also do some more research on like what exactly we're gonna build. But I do have some, or I don't really have an idea of what to build at the moment. It's just we need to think and then see. We have only a few days left. The Higgsfield competition, we haven't done a lot for it, but it was just credits you got anyway. Or well, 3 days. I think we can still even fine tune that today. But for now, today the main focus will be the dev post OpenAI for the 15k grand prize. And just a dev pass, that's the main thing I want anyway. Let me also set up the stream while I talk a bit. So we'll just need to fine tune the ID, get it all up and running, and then we can get started. And now we'll always start the streams with like a bit of talking, or just a full cam and just talking, just to see what, how, and all that. Let me see one thing. It's all good. But then we'll get the 15k competition up and running. And I'm sure, like, I know I'm gonna win. It's just, it depends on what project I'm gonna do. That's the main thing, just what exactly I'm gonna build. I'm also now fact checking a lot of the IDs I have in mind. And then we'll go from there. But I do know Tommy will probably use Vibe Club and submit it in the Buildathon or in the OpenAI Build Week. And I'm probably gonna do some own personal project. I might make a game, because I've thought about that, and it is doable and it's fully allowed to just make a game. But we'll need to see, It's just the game seems like a bit, not boring, but like not in the heart of the competition, if you get what I mean. It's allowed and everything, but, and if I want to make a game, also, let me switch. If I want to like make a game and I want to make it with the phone, it's either going to be with PWA, that's like just a browser, or mobile app. But if I want to make a mobile app, it needs to go through the whole verification process of Apple, and that takes like 2-3 weeks, so we don't have enough time for that. Because we have like 2 days on the clock, or well, 3 days pretty much. We have actually 2 days, so if today and tomorrow, and that's it. 40,000 are participating, but I already know half of them are there for the tokens, so they are probably not gonna build nothing. And only around 10k is probably gonna submit something. And then there's like even less that are gonna submit something decent. So the chance to win, like always just give it your all, and the chance to win is so easy in this day and age. Especially because a lot of these people are gonna use AI though, I think. Some people won't because they're like, AI, blah blah blah, because they're like OG coders from DevPost. But if you just have a 5x subscription, you can win. Even with a $20 subscription, you can win. It's just then your usage is like screwing you over. But Codex has like some glitches I've seen with like the usage. Like for me, the usage just doesn't run dry. It auto resets and everything. So we'll need to double check and like see why exactly that happens. Let me get the shareable link. Gonna compete in the OpenAI Build week for 100k. Gonna get it all up and running in less than 2 days. If it loads, okay. Also, let me even change maybe a thumbnail. Or well, not thumbnail, but description. Can you give me an updated stream description for today, or just something different? That, like, not all the stream descriptions are the same, because that might influence SEO and so on YouTube or the algorithm. I don't know, so I'm new to YouTube. But I do want to like get this channel to 100k is doable in this year, like easy, especially if I start using YouTube ads, but 1 million is like the end goal of this channel for this year, or well, in like the coming 10 months, 8 months. I'm now letting the AI do some other things for just the description. And here I'm just like fact checking all the IDs. And if we find a nice ID, we'll use it. Also, let me even see if I like can remember. I know it's somewhere in the files, like you have like some place, it's not Reddit, it's some different place where you can like find documentation. Better than not starting after 10 years, true. Nah, but I just meant this year I'm gonna get this channel to 1 million. And we still have I'm still gonna like stream probably even after 8 months, just because I'm still 18. So I'll probably even still stream until like I'm 26 or 28, even 32. Who knows? Or if I can find or well, just ask the AI for it in a few. Cause I like forgot what exactly it was called. But then we'll get the ID set up, and then we'll get just started with it all. I'm letting the AI double check some other stuff too. Because the ID we had was good, but I'm just gonna skip that for now because it was mainly a Dollar Vibe Club update I was making for the Buildathon, and I'm going to start something fresh. I'm thinking maybe some game, and that I can easily do with the phone, because I saw that people wanted, like, it was like some need on Reddit. It's just you make photo of your room and then you have like a game you can play. And that I'm then gonna just make a mobile game later on. And everything is allowed in this competition, like you just have apps for your life, work and productivity, education, and developer tools. That's the only stuff, that's like the 4 main categories, but games are allowed, education is just like, yeah, everything education related, also for kids. And then work and productivity is just work and productivity. And the promotion is the most interesting, like promotion and meet with the Codex team. Let me see, the AI gave me an updated, because I just wanted to change it really quick. We don't specifically need to use an AI integrated tool. We can just make a tool with AI. We don't need to per se automate something with AI. Because he's just searching for everything related with AI. And yes, that will catch the people at Codex that are like curiosity, but that isn't like needed. If it loads, come on. Okay. I'm just gonna like have the hackathon URL open here. Now we just wait until it's all done. Just everything has already kind of been made. Like everything is made. You just need to like refine the ID, because a lot of the IDs made aren't like fully refined. It's sad that you cannot like see the current competition at the moment, or like that it's like disabled. How many usage? Also, my usage, I needed to use like a few resets, but I still have like around 50 or I think 80 euro from the credits left that I got from OpenAI, so we should be good. And worst case, I think we... Oh well, I don't have the subscription yet for like a month. I was gonna say if the subscription runs out, I'm gonna get a 20x on Codex. Because now I have like 5x on Claude too, but I don't use Claude as much anymore compared to Codex. Just like updating my MD files and so on, like the Obsidian Vault. So that's why it's like taking so long, I assume. Because we just need to like get one ID up and sorted, and then we can get started. Create project. Let me already see how like the layout looks. Yeah, I just need to submit everything, get like an image, thumbnail. From even like the last competition on the dev posts, because I saw like a forum one from OpenAI, if I can find it. Let me see. Let me find like the former competition. Like a former competition of Open, there were less people in it because the cash price was less, but a lot of the people, their submissions didn't even have like a decent thumbnail. But all of this competition is gonna be it's not community voted, so just all the OpenAI developers and Codex team will take a look at your project. So nobody, like, it's not with voting that the people are decided. As far as I know. Well, let me even see. Before I, like, say something. Normally it's only, like, decided, yeah, by the judges. Yeah, so it's just mainly, literally, the judges will check everything of the project and then we'll decide. We're letting the AI update and like do research a bit more. But let me even see if I can like find the site. As I know there's a website, I just don't know the website's name. It's also like a Reddit thread, but there's like some site for founders where they like post their IDs. What's a site name called where founders and like startups randomly post IDs? Or just like app and website IDs? I'm just gonna see if I can find it. I was on it before, but... Oh, well, I could go back in my search history, but this is faster. Let me see, coordination should be an engine and yeah, photograph a washing machine. Should make it, wait. This is smart. Okay, I think we found a winning product. Okay, so, like for example, you're a fresh 18-year-old and I can sell this. Like, I can sell this in the story too. Like, you're a fresh 18-year-old and like you want to press control. I'm just checking to simulate this, and if you make it simulated, it's a good. Wait, let me see. I was first gonna think it was like a tool to help people understand machines, but let me see. Typed state. Okay, so we can like make tutorials for people that, for like 18-year-olds or something to like, could you tell me what's, that's a secret, Sasa. But I currently don't use it, it's not on at the moment, but you can connect it to agents and so on. But later on, we will make it like our personal OS and release it to the public. But currently I'm not using it, I'm just using this codec step. Okay, no. This is a great idea. We'll probably do this for the hackathon, because I have like great potential in this. I just need to fine tune it and think a bit more on it. And like exactly what it is and how much it will cost. Paranoid case. Let me see. This also we're not trusting AI to flawlessly. I was first thinking this was like just a practice, like you make a photo of a machine and then explains how to use the machine, but your idea is also very good. But how exactly will we make this? Give me the details of how this will work. And especially if you're wanting to make a whole 3D animation, how are we gonna do that with AI? Without burning a lot of tokens. Like, I know this is like the closed version, and like I don't need to link it up to like 100 euro or 50 euro in credits, because I just need to make a developer account and for me for testing, and I just make one account for the judges to like test it. So it's like probably 1 euro even. Because I know chatbots that I've made for clients, you put 5 euro in them, like they go on for months and months and months, they're fine. Like, yeah, if months, it's been months and it's fine with it. And like people use it like on the daily, just asking it random questions about the company. And I can sell this ID. Yeah, kinda. But it's like also kinda a bit of a dumb ID. Like, I like the idea of like the AI explaining this to people. It's useful for kids and like for learning, and I could toggle this into education, but we'll need to see. This is one of the good IDs. Okay, I do like this ID. Note it down. This is one of the top IDs. I'm just like scared that it will not get hooked on or like not get the traction because it's so simple. And like most people know how a coffee machine or like a washing machine, all of this works. I might be wrong. Or well, you could just watch a tutorial on YouTube. Why would they use our app? Give me a few more app ID suggestions and then we'll go from there. We just need to get the ID right. For me, the building isn't a problem. Like the building I can get done in like 6 hours max, 8 hours, or well, not even 8. 2-3 hours. I can get it done A to Z. It's just the ID needs to be very catchy. Like very catchy in that it will like be a winning ID. It doesn't need to be an app per se. Also, it doesn't also need to be an app per se. It can also just be a web app, website, and so on, or just a tool that people can use online. If needed, just check this whole page. How much usage we have left? Oh yeah. I'll put my sprites up top. I was already wondering where like the what's it called? Either sprites, it says spats in like codecs. Normally it like shows the laptop. I should maybe also make another sprite soon. Let me give it a moment. It's thinking web group. It's just once we have an ID, it's all good, and then we can get started. Well, I'll trust AI for now. Just need to republish it. I'm just republishing $Vibecoding for a small change because it was like not published yet, I saw. And for all the ones new to the stream, also if you haven't already, go to $vibeclub.com and we're also having a live hackathon. It's gonna be 12-hour long. You can sign up with like an application. We only have one. Okay, never mind. All the spots are already accepted, but everybody that goes down here, claim a free Replit account. Leave your email, make an account, and then leave your email. And then at the day of the live hackathon, you will be sent a free code that you can claim a Replit core account with. Or well, a code, just a free builder coupon. And then you can get building. And the Replit core count is around like 25 bucks, 20 euros worth of an account. Let me see. It's all good. So I'm just checking some things on the site. Okay, but that's already one of the great IDs. It's just such a simple ID, like I don't want it to... this is good though for white label product guide. Let me even see. Okay, so we'll be then competing with this one, but this one doesn't have like, hasn't gotten a lot of downloads. And I think this also is... No hate to AI gen... Okay, never mind, it's not AI. I was gonna say just like quickly vibe code it. It is linked with AI though. But this is useful though, kinda for an app. Like, you ask it questions and it will like immediately give you YouTube videos. But kinda, we have Google for that. But it's also this company. But this is like too much, this is too difficult to like automate. Just because AI, or well, that video you can automate with AI, but it's difficult to do for all those different kind of projects. So this will probably scrap as an ID for the OpenAI Buildathon. Just because these instructions are too difficult to replicate automatically. I can replicate them, but then I need to manually do it. And for this, an AI automatically, if you just tell me, give me instructions for this device, he isn't gonna be able to do that. It's crazy, it's like 20,000 reviews of this, and it says free app, but still. 20,000 people. And I think assume there's also some paid subscriptions, so... insane if you think about it. Darkside, welcome to the stream. I'm now quickly deciding on an ID for the OpenAI Build week. I'm not gonna do the DVC. No, it's republishing, or what do you mean? It's republishing, so it's down for a moment. That shouldn't have happened. Is that true or is that the troll? But I'll check it, but normally it shouldn't have sent anything. What the fuck? Wait, I'll check it. Yeah, it seems to send it. Strange, I'll check it because I didn't change anything. I see, it seems that you've sent the Replit emails. Please, like, put all the emails back into like the list to then eventually send all the Replit emails back to them. And just send all the people you sent that Replit core code to just like an apology email. I'm just quickly doing it in Replit. Strange, because I didn't touch anything. The only thing I did, and that was yesterday, I was just like publishing the... Ah, nice Jacob. But now I'm quickly doing the Buildathon. I'm now just quickly fixing something. Because the only thing I did, and that was yesterday, I was just forgot to publish it. For like the stream, just a new tab appeared. Ah, nice. Try a remotion via Claude or Codex. Also, we don't also need to follow that product. Like, really give me a few ideas I can choose from. Wait, let me even see when this email was sent. 5 hours ago. Strange. Let me see what this is. Shift sim to any workplace machine to 5 minutes. Commercial machine at opposite companies produce. Data double meet the version of you that algorithm thinks you are. Users photograph a boil air conditioner use. The website builds a present home court using. But it's Rockstar made it. Ah, okay. Nice. Exact number models. Wait, let me see. Okay. Nah, because I don't want to do the whole copyrights bullshit, because it's too much trouble. Change received the public price history for every online subscription if you use any. Before and why is it not? Why should I invite my Fiverr clients to the stream? But no, I'll probably not even do that. I'll probably never get my clients on stream. Maybe personal clients, yes. Fiverr clients, maybe. Depends. But only the clients that I really know. Wouldn't be shift sim hard to like replicate and do, especially because of the limits? Like, how exactly will we make sure that a good video pops out each time, or like a good training? Give me a few other ideas and I'll choose from there, because I'm not satisfied with that one. And we just need it up and running. Can get this project off the ground in like 1 hour and a half. I just need an ID. But the ID is the main problem, just for the apps. If anybody has an ID in the chat, I will make it live. If anybody has an ID for the OpenAI Build week, tell me. But if I win, I'll probably give the money back to the community anyway. Or we'll spin a wheel like Tommy, or something gambling related. me see it. What? How much is the reward for what? For giving me an ID? Or for the Buildathon? Found again, down. This will only work if it's like a whole community thing. Seems from a all the group chats, the website tries to post. This is like too much hassle with the privacy. Confirm what the AI thread and leave it. A lot of these are mobile oriented, and I'm not gonna make a mobile app for this first milestone. Like, I know PWA and like websites, web apps on mobile are fine, but still. Also, portfolio projects claim must be confirmed. Yeah, no, that's why we have $5. This might be fun. But found again is also a mobile map, mobile oriented. We could make this. It's also a very simple ID. But what is like the chance we win on this with the Buildathon? Thread to plan is also nice. I've seen other people make something like this for group chats before, but it's also doable. Exit map. What is the ID? Exit map, I already have another project that kinda does that. I'm just seeing, like, we just need a good ID. And also for all those new in the stream, welcome to the stream. Go to dollarvival.com, link in the pinned comment. Everybody that joins the live hackathon and gives their email at the bottom will get a Replit Core account. Also, let me double check this. 6 hours ago, emails were sent. And also the full database on the Replit is empty. While the Replit email code is empty. Yeah, what the fuck? We'll double check this. Because either somebody was in my database or something. Yo, N3I, welcome to the stream. And how are you, man? Also, let me quickly decide on an ID. We just need an ID, and then we can get it off the ground in like 2 hours. Because like the other ID was nice, but it's like not... It's a nice idea and I'm gonna finish that for the Dog Vibe Club, but it's not worthy for the OpenAI Build Week, I think. And it can be very simple. The app doesn't need to be like... The app doesn't need to be ready. Like, I've seen these competitions before. The app doesn't even need to be like fully working. Like, it just needs to... You get extra points if it works and like is a good idea, but you just need some app that has like wow potential, but it doesn't work IRL properly. But if we win this, we get hackathon winner, level 1 generalist, first online hackathon. And the most interesting is just the day pass, dev day, and the meet with the codex. And Tommy's also competing with this, so if you both win, we have extra tickets. Islam educational videos. I am building Dollar Vibe Club. That's what I'm mainly doing. What we do is we teach people how to turn vibe coding in a business and get that Wi-Fi money. No, it's not a course. It's fully free. Link in pinned comment. And I'm also now currently competing for 100,000 euro, or in dollar I mean, in the OpenAI Build Week. I have 2 days left because my former ID wasn't that great. I'm still gonna build it, but it's like was for a separate project. I want to start fresh. And we have 2 days to build it, but I've done things faster in like 8 hours. If I have an idea, I can make it up and running in like 2 hours. What? 2 hours and a half. Do you want to arena also? But why is the current Replit promo code empty for all the users? And it was sent around 6 hours ago because some people got it. Quickly debugging with Replit, even though it costs money, just that I can quickly fix it. And I know he has like full access to database. Now we just need an ID and then we can speedrun it. Also, Islam education videos, what are you currently building? Also, I assume you just make Islam education videos just because of the name. Maybe think about like making an app or website for it. Or like making an app is like the best thing I think you could do. Like making a nice app for it, or like to remind people to do their stuff, prayers and all that. I remember some guy was trying to do that, but he never finished it. Like, he never finished the full app, as far as I know. Let me see, and also check it here. Okay. AI is taking a bit slow. How much credits are we at? Like, I don't want to, like, 97. Okay. The usage does get empty decently fast, and I don't like that, but... Okay. And for all those new in the stream, join with the pinned link in the stream chat. $Vibecoding.com, it's fully free. We have free courses on there to literally tell you how to make 10k a month. On Fiverr and do local sales and so on. Does what work, Entry-I? No, not as far as I know, Ash. It does seem slow. The only thing I would say, codec seems slow and there's something wrong with the... there's something wrong with the usage. Well, I don't care if people see my billing, but I'll do it off stream just to check. Let me see. Usage. Why would I use fast mode? But I'll use it for you, Vandax, because I got unlimited credits anyway of the competition here. Yes, I'm making app and websites. Ah, nice, Islam. Also, we're getting things like ready when we failed for some. Yeah, no, a lot of people got that straight. Ash, if I may ask, what plan are you currently on? Because I know a lot of people had that problem, but they were on like the $20 plan. But they will have zero soon, so it's gonna be people. Things like, okay, nice. And things like, yeah, Jacob has the same thing, or had the same thing. But which plan are you on? $20 or 5x? I'm just checking, because maybe it's literally only $20 plans. I'm not sure though. Also, what do you mean Vandex? But they will have okay, because soon, so Ultrafast is gonna be possible. Ah, yeah, true. Nah, never mind, I get what you mean. But for me, I don't really care about the ultra-fast. It can be on default speed. But for now, I already did the full brief. I'm now just talking with the AI, so I'll put it on slow. And I did all my other projects already. I just need to like decide on an ID. Yes, I am on the plus. I have 2 plus since I can. Okay, then I might, it might then be a problem on the $20 plan only, because I haven't had that problem yet, and I know a lot of the people on the $20 have that. I don't know, like, it's just a hypothesis, or whatever you say it in English. Like, I cannot pronounce some English words. Because of my, like, heavy Dutch accent that I sometimes have. Or German, or Dutch, or whatever accent. Basically. Ah, nice. And when do you think that is gonna be there, Vandex? I can check you. I would just send support. I would just send codec support like I also said to a few others. I'm pretty sure later on they'll just integrate that Vandex. OpenAI will find a way. Oh, I just need the AI to do its thing. But like literally every ID has been made, so we need like the most insane ID to make for an app. Let me see. Yeah, sure, Islam. Send me your website. The AI is like loading anyway. I don't know if you can send it in the YouTube chat, but you can join the Discord in the pin in the description and then just post it in the project showcase. And for all the ones new, do not forget, join with this link, it's like in the stream. Scroll down and go claim a free Replit account and join the Dog Vibe Club. We're gonna have a live hackathon every single month. I think this will... Yeah, it will make work faster, but it already feels fast for me at least. Do you have a... let me see. I just need the emails back into the database. Wait, I'm just checking because it... Okay. I assume that were the only emails. For crazy AI, bro. I don't know why it even glitched then 6 hours ago. Let me check, let me check. Oh, nice. I'm just already saying, don't take my opinions very harshly. I'm just trying to help you, and I know I've built a lot of client projects. What I would change is this mockup. You can get mockups or like... Ah, okay, Jacob, you're not the only one. But no, this I would change. You can get real mockup images, either let AI generate you one, or get one from Envato or so on. But get a real phone mockup and then implement this. Well, this is coming soon. The animation is nice. This will take you to a GitHub. The icons I would change. Just always try and use real icons. For example, either you let ChatGPT generate you some or like some other tool and just get icons. Also, but you get more work done to React and then you can focus. Ah, true, true. But mainly when I'm like really working Vendex, I have multiple AI tabs open at the same time. The server. Nah, no, it's down for everybody on the $20 plan, Jacob. I will check, but normally that shouldn't be an issue. Let me see. Nope, fine for me. Oh, 2.5 bill. Well, wait, let me check the rest of this website. No, the first thing I would do is just get real. Ah, that app is in development. I thought you just meant that you wanted me to, like, give you the website. Which one? This? No, the whole web version of ChatGPT. I was here before, like, I can just do my thing in here. Hey, ChatGPT, you all good? I'm just want to check if the chat starts up. Ah, okay, then I'll go to this one. Ah, okay, then I'll check this one. Yeah, but no, definitely, just get real icons in it. For me, it works, guys. Ah, the GitHub one? Ah, okay, my bad. Here. For me, it's working, Jacob. I can talk with the AI, he just answered. So, but I think it's just because load. No, but it's because it's specifically stated in the accounts. It's just because if you have a higher level account, you have like more rights to do stuff. Oh well, if N3I says it's working, it's probably for only certain regions. No, but Islam, I would change this to a real icon. Use a VPN. I don't even think that's needed. Just a small few details, just details. For example, this back, a bit lower, real icons, spacing. Skip for now. This you could also a bit change. Different icons for each. No, like the Ah, okay. I thought you meant the website. No, but I would just, it's already looking good. I would just get real icons, real phone mockup, and real icons that they are clear. This is okay, if it like counts up. This is also okay. I would make this bigger, like here. Maybe it's where you live. Oh yeah, maybe true for that. But I would just make this text bigger, so it's just here, and then this in small, also bigger on the left. But for the rest, it looks good. Because I can't read Arabic, but it's already looking good for a website. This also size okay. But now it's already looking good. Validate the form. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay with stream with which form. This. I would just change icons. A lot of the icons really make the website, and then you're already like a long way. Let me check ChatGPT. Here, like ChatGPT status. But I am using it right now. Wait, let me check in the Yaza section. Ah, okay. But then I would make the form way clearer. Islam, I would make the whole form like way clearer that everybody like knows, because I literally didn't even notice that was here. I thought it was just like a random button to bring you somewhere else. Okay, nice. And yeah, also just change some small details like here, Svavicon logo, all of that stuff. Who knows? It's only ChatGPT. Well, as long as Codex stays online, it's fine for me. Before Team sees it. Let me see. Base the business plan. Let me see. I'm just like double checking that I have a good idea. Let me see things. Isn't Judgment Codex? No, but it's different on the status. I also normally it was combined Fandex, but I think who knows? It says here Codex and ChatGPT. Codex Web. Well, yeah, it normally should be combined, but who knows? Maybe they haven't updated the status yet. Assumption market. Let me see. Do we have another ID? Yeah, use mockups, not AI generated. For example, go to Envato, or well, some other version. AI can also generate it. Give me a few others I can choose from. Just go here, graphics templates, here for example phone. Get it more realistic, AI can also generate it. Get something like this, and then put your whole text in there, or like your sliders. That it looks better. It doesn't need to be hyper realistic, but tell AI to not make it with like boxes or like shapes. There's literally inside. Yeah, for me it works, so I assume it's only for a few people, or like for certain people. If it goes down in a few, then it's for everybody, and then I'm also kinda screwed. Also, Ethan, I would recommend you would move from base 44 to Replit if you want to make the app fully work in the backend. If you want to make your full app work in the backend and like make sure you can do most of the stuff, go to replit.com, base 44, and then use this. And then you can migrate your project over to like do all the backend stuff too, and more like the difficult stuff. So just replit.com and all of that. I should like, but soon we'll have a referral code, so all good. That's a good question, Arch. I'm still deciding. Like, I had a project, but that's just going to be a $5 Club extension now. I'm now doing a bit more research and seeing what I'm gonna make. I have some ideas, like a scanner to just you make a photo of a product and it will explain you how the device works. Like if it's like some heavy machinery device to like teach people how to work with that machines. Entry, I don't know what I'm building yet for the competition. You're not gonna use Google AI Studio for like initial test. That too. Make mock-up apps. Oh yeah, or do what Vandex says, Islam, and use that. Actually, first I use the base for the base. Copy the whole code into my. No, I have to do the whole. Ah, nice. But nah, I would recommend if you are gonna like make the app live, like working in VS Code isn't bad, but to get the app fully live, use Replit, also just for the database and so on. Just because base 44 is decent. I'm not hating on base 44, but it isn't. Replit is much better, in my opinion. And I've launched more apps on Replit than base. But I've not really. You can make money on both. In the end of the day, it's just Replit is my go-to. We just need an ID first. I'm also like thinking a bit in my head what I want to get. You sell your apps? Which apps? Oh well, yeah, I sell a few, but I don't promote them yet. But I'm probably gonna start doing the fitness app and all that, and the finance app and promote it. Yeah, that too though. But if you code in Claude and host it on Replit, it's cheap. Yeah, for the actual app, if you use Superbase. Ah, okay, nice. But still, I would recommend use Replit for the full launch. You can integrate Superbase as a database. But as long as the app works, it's fine. And as long as you don't have too much backend, it's not at risk. And like, security with Vibecoding has gotten better. Like, it's not as bad as people say. Like, some people say, oh, you Vibecoded app. What's better one? Dirty one, Elgato game or... Bro, get the Claude. Get... Krix, get either Claude, get Claude and Codex. But don't even go to the Algerato Chemi stuff. Just use Claude, bro. I do say Chemi is good for the hosting, or you can host stuff on it. But then I would recommend just go to Replit and do that stuff. Like, just pay Codex 20 and Replit $20 and then you're done. Also, Krix, if I may ask, what are you making? Or what kind of project? Just client-oriented stuff or for your own? As long as it's all integration. Yeah, true. It's just Replit is easier for the SEO and all of that. Like, all the stuff that's built into it. Maybe Nano, maybe. But I'm on the 5x, but I already got unlimited tokens from the Buildathon anyway. But yeah, Nano Yeti official, it's glitched. Everybody has like unlimited tokens on Codex. And I recently got €100 in tokens from here. And also I have the 5x, so it's better to have a good art first. Bigger. Yeah, true. Especially it depends on how big of an app you're also making. But I don't think Islam's app will be that, well, not big as in like not a lot of data is going and flowing through it compared to some others. I think you're okay with Superbase. You don't need Firebase, if that's what it's called. Like I forgot the name. I mainly use just Superbase and Replit. Cool, I just need something for an ID and then we can get started with this. And also for all of us new to the stream, go to $5club.com, live hackathon, it's in the pinned comment, scroll all the way down. Yeah, scalability is important, but it depends on your app. If you're just making a kebab website, you don't need to like prepare for 10,000 people, or like 10,000 maybe, but you don't need to prepare for 100,000 people to be on the site. Depends on what you're making. But everybody, go to Live Hackathon, go to email me the code here, and just sign up to the Vibe Club. We have free courses. You go here left, groups, how to Fiverr, loading up, here scroll down, And then you have like PDFs, download them, give them to AI, and it literally explains how to make 10 figures. As it doesn't even matter on your age. It depends a bit on your region. Like if you're in, for example, India, you'll get a bit less, but still, like 2,000 a month is still decent for that place. It depends on your region. You will earn a bit less. For example, Europeans pay 1,000 for a website, Americans too, and then certain countries like 500, 200. Depends on the region. But if you do, or well, international you can do later on, but in the Fiverr thing it explains it. The full PDF explains it all. Let me see, split screen. Give me a few. Oh, let me see, it's okay, but it's legal. Like everybody that knows Vibecoding knows to do that. Okay, what's currently the best project of all the ones we did research on? What is your go-to that we will use? But split screen is the only one that I seem interesting. It will probably be split screen. It will need to like go off virality. That's one of the things. And then which category of the Buildathon would this app be in? Just quickly answer me shortly. Yo Johnny, welcome to the stream. I'll close this. Also let me go back to my live hackathon. Yeah, smash the like button, do not forget to subscribe, it helps a lot on YouTube, and do leave a comment on the video. Or on the stream. Or well, or just on one of the videos. Oh, let me see. I still need a few more ideas, like I really need options. Maybe even generate me a few visual... Wait, let me get the visual command. Then we have like something nice to look at and choose. I need you to visualize... I do like split screen, but like get me more ideas and all visualize them. And like a nice PDF that I can scroll to or look at in just one screen. And then I can like see all of them, like a bit of a... that I can choose. A bit of a show, like we'll make a bit fun out of it. And we have enough time, like 2 days. All I need is a Red Bull and it's all done. And especially, the app doesn't need to be, well, scalability is important, but not like A to Z done. You don't need to be the next Stripe in the Buildathon. You don't need to be the next whoever. Oh, I hate that they updated like the UI. I cannot have my publish thing. Okay, all good. Okay, and he will make a nice PDF, then we have like a visual show. And then I'll let the chat decide which one is best for the IDs. The Red Bull sponsor, when? Good question. But if I ever get sponsored by Red Bull, then I'll like have just a fridge in the back. But I actually don't know at what like subscribe count do they even start sponsoring people? Red Bull, YouTubers, which ones do they sponsor? I'm just curious. A Cypher, like, okay, so it's around all multi-millions. But like, I might make it, or well, energy drink company when I'm like older. Like, I want to do lots of things for companies, but the main things I want to do is like Dollar Vibe Club, crypto-oriented stuff, and then the gym app. Or well, gym app is in like all supplements and so on. And then just a few small things on the side, finance app and everything. Cool. Let the AI cook, come on. Yeah, I got 3 credits, 100 euros of them. But all of them are gone. Oh, but I didn't even reach the credits yet, just because of the glitch and I have like the 5x. But they are all empty. Like if you try and submit for them now, it just says, yeah, no, all of them are taken. Like here. Yeah, thank you so much. All of the available credits are given out. But it was like 100 euro worth in credits or extra usage. They would just send it to your account. Cool. Let the AI cook. Yeah, it's a crazy life hack, but there is already a glitch in Codex with like unlimited credits. Because I have like unlimited credits anyway. It's a glitch. Instead of weekly, I think it resets daily for some reason. Because my credits ain't running out. Ah, okay, when did you apply, if I may ask, Vannex? Yesterday, 2 days ago? I applied, I think, yesterday and I got it. Or 2 days ago. It doesn't matter, Islam. Both of you cannot see if it's like AI generated anymore. If you come decently, you will have a good favicon. Yeah, like goal, but like what exactly did you make or like submit in the form and like when? 2 days ago, 3 days ago, today, yesterday? Because I submitted it 2 days ago and I got in, so I'm just curious for when you did it. Cool. The AI needs to like lock in, give me the PDF so we can decide. They're scared of Kimmy's for giving free resets. Maybe. But Kimmy does have the gambling wheel. Do I have another one? Or well. No, like, no, not that. They just gave me, you get credits. It's like, here, and then you get some extra usage, and you can, like, check it in your browser. But no, I had Vandex, I had the $20, or no, the $200 plan on Cloud Code. And I had, like, $20 plan on Codex, but I want to switch over, because Fable 5 is debuffed. They debuffed Fable 5 into the ground, so I swapped from Claude to 5.6, and now I have like the 5x on both Claude and Codex. I'm gonna see which one is better. Also, Traveler, welcome to the stream. Which sign up, Johnny? On the dev post or on something else? Also, Vandex, what are you currently working on, just for projects? Yes, Traveler, I have multiple ones. Because I got like, we gambled for free subscriptions on this. Or well, gambled, like, we spinned the wheel and I got like a few subscriptions, but it isn't that great. I can, with full honesty, say Claude and Codex is better. Or well, Claude is maybe at around the same level, but Codex 5.6 is better. It's decent, well, you can work with everything. I'm not telling you that it's a bad AI, but GPT 5.6 is way better. No, it didn't register your sign up for the spin on Gimme Johnny, it's just glitched. But I'm just saying, GPT 5.6 is better, but you can make money with everything. Add that. Yeah, they should add that like a gambling feature. Better with rate limits or better. It's better with quality. The rate limits, it's better. Like, but I only say on the quality. I would say Gimme is cheaper, like in credits and rate limits, but you will give up a lot of the quality compared to 5.6 ChatGPT. But there's a glitch, and Codex, everybody just gets free credits for some reason. But you are better. What, Jacob? Crazy. But I heard that if I... No, the... Islam, the UI doesn't matter. If you just prompt correctly, it doesn't matter. And if you give it the right skills... Gimme found some major with some of our Fable code. Ah, nice. Well, I don't use Fable anymore. SMD or Sam. Okay, I'll just call you Sam. It's just they debuffed Fable 5 in the ground. And I did also have like 5.6 do some double checks on the code. And he also found some stuff. It's just the new Fable 5 is bad. Or not bad. You can make money with all of them. Impulse, I get all my... The 31k that's on the profile is all from Fiverr. I'll show you all while the AI like works. Let me see if I can go to my own profile. I'm working on 3. Also, everybody, welcome to the stream. How cool is that? I'm working on 3. Ah, nice. Lego Geeks. I'm currently working on the Dollar Vibe Club. And that's just a place where we teach people how to make money online. Yes, it's fully free. Also, I'll show my profile for a bit. So, a bit of backstory for everyone. I am Hunter, aka Hunter Yip. I'm 18 years old, turned 18 8 months or 6-7 months ago. And I worked on Fiverr, and first 3 months I didn't get any clients. Now I'm at 30 orders, and I made 31k from just Fiverr. Tommy also works on Fiverr, he's older than me. You can also check him out. I will show my Fiverr earnings in a few, but then I need to censor my info that I'm not leaking my whole social security and all that. Or well, not social security, but all of that stuff. And that's just from Fiverr, and that's just a side hustle. People on Fiverr, like, you just open the phone or the messages, and there's literally people throwing money at you. It's as simple as that. People throw money at you, just saying, I want this project done. And, like, Fiverr is good to, like, get money. Like, you get the money and reinvest in yourself. You reinvest in your companies, you reinvest in yourself, you rent a place of your own. Yeah, no, it's decent, and you can make even more from Fiverr. Like, I have had 10k months on Fiverr. It does take a while, the Traveler, to get your account set up. It will take maybe, for me it took like a few months, I think 2 or 3 months. Yeah, no, 3, at like the 2.5. No, I think only one of them was from my area, and that was my second order. But I should have done that more, and that's also why we have the second PDF explaining why local clients are important. Oh, cool. I built a few, but not. What kind of project did you make, Lego Geek? Also, do join the Discord. We have like a project showcase and share them in there. And for all the ones that are new, join Dollar Vibe Club. No, Vandax. Everybody that says I'm not hating on you. Everybody that says it's hard to get on Fiverr, it just means you're lazy. In my opinion, you have the full PDF. It depends a bit on your region. Like, if you're in India, you will have the problem of like being with over the 20,000 in the same region, but you can still overwork and overcompete 99.9 of them just with thumbnails, better descriptions, better SEO. So never say it's hard on Fiverr. You can make it easily on Fiverr, especially local clients. Could you explain what the orchestrator, scout, and worker do? How do you... Which one? Or which one? What do you mean for the baked OS? Or you mean in this? Or well, what do you... But that just depends. Orchestrator is mainly the person or like the main AI. Scout is for doing research, and a worker is just the guy to code. Or that's how I use them. But I just let the AI make sub-agents when I work. Now he's just doing research and I'm just randomly talking. But no, Vandex, change that mindset. Like, I don't know how old you are, but still, you can even make money as like a 15 or 16-year-old. I was doing WordPress websites and like, but that was before AI, or well, before Vibecoding was decent. Also, if you, nice. Nah, the Traveler, it is region-based, but it shouldn't stop you from making money. Like, the Traveler, it's region-based. For example, what region are you in currently, the Traveler? But it doesn't matter if you're Indian region, Dutch region, American, South American. And you can even, if you're under 18, you can go like in the parental program, but you need to like send Fiverr support. Impulse. I have paid 0 money in Fiverr ads as extra. So for example, I make 7.5k on Fiverr and I just keep a bit of the money on Fiverr. I'll even check how much ads I spent. I spent... It's going to be in the 500s, that I do know. Let me see. Ooh. 400 USD, but it's decent. Bro, the Traveler, you are in the best, you're in a good region. If you're worried about your region, you're in a good region to like start. And there are people even in India, because a lot of people complain, oh, but I'm in India, my region is bad. There are people that's also from this school, or well, from the school, from the Vibecoding, that make like 800 or 1000 and just started. No, I'm not a fan of those IDI tools or like harness tools, just because they're... You don't need them. It's just, why pay 50? But did you get any gigs? Yeah, I got loads of them. I think those are like my main gigs. I got them from all Vibecoding gigs. But no, I don't use those multi-agent systems. They're expensive. You need to like be level 1 or level 2. Yeah, but you can still make money on Fiverr in those regions. You can make money in any of those regions because you can outwork 99.9% of all people. But you don't need the multi-agent system. You just need codecs or plots. If you are like saying, oh, but I need multi-agent system to make money, you don't. You just need codecs and you can make money. Or you can make your own project easily. No, I've gotten clients from Asia also. I've gotten clients from I've gotten a client from Pakistan also for like 1,500 from what's it called? Americans, Dutch, French, Sweden, one from Africa, also another, I think, Indonesia. It doesn't matter on local client. I never almost get local clients, only like people that speak Français or Dutch, but they are not Belgium Dutch. I'm not sure you read them. Is that also what I say? Oh wait, let me see. No, I saw, yeah, you have few monetized. You can monetize them by just making like it all legit close to 20. You just need to have subscriptions. That's the easiest way to monetize. Yeah, no, that's true. Phoenix is from India, yeah. Yo, Force, welcome to the stream. But no, Lego Geek, you just need to make a subscription. That's the best way, but you need to be in order with it all, with also company and all that. I don't know how old you are, but my opinion is first get money in. For example, if you make your first 1,000 bucks or like 500 bucks, then immediately start a company and get everything financially in order. But first get a subscription, mate. I don't know if it's mobile apps or whatever, but use Revenue Cat. Don't use Stripe for your first time. Go just to Revenue Cat and do your thing there. Just go to Revenue Cat. And also Force, I don't know if I already said hi, but welcome to the stream. I'm now waiting for him to like make the PDF, then I can make my choices. It's a bit of a shitty PDF, but then we have like something nice visually. The AI feels slow, I don't know why. Mike is making stuff, welcome to the stream. But no, Linux, definitely do check out Fiverr. Fiverr, Upwork are both good, but I would recommend you start with Fiverr, just because Fiverr is... It's less, you don't need to pay for it. Like, on Fiverr, the clients look at you, and like on Upwork, you need to bet for the clients. Like, the clients are getting DMs in the thousands. Hey, a friend of mine, can you... Wait, like this? Well, normally the mic was already on like high mode. But normally it should be fine now. Or well, it might be a bit too loud. Well, like this, but it's like almost on the fullest here. Or well, now it's like on 0.9, 20% higher. Nah, I'm a real dev. Fast mode now. Yeah, maybe here. But I think I need to restart then the AI to like go on fast mode. But we'll put it on fast mode for now. It's making shitty PDFs, but ignore that, and then we'll just get the best project and get started. Worst case, we make the lost and found app, and then we'll always post that. I can make that in like, how is Sol? Hungry for tokens. I haven't seen you in a while. It's great. 5.6 Sol is great, much better than Fable 5. So hard to say if it's too high to check. Well, no clue, but now I'm just gonna use it. The mic is fine, you can always like lower the audio, I think. So let me put this up a bit. Well, let me see. I just need the project, I just need to decide on an ID and then I can start. Fiverr message. See, Fiverr is literally throwing money. Like, Fiverr is literally throwing money at me. Here, Vibecoding for a new Millennium Engineer. And then, like, you have people saying and complaining, oh, but nobody is paying for Vibecoding. 2k! 2k minimum, and I will always upsell. And you have people saying, yeah, but you cannot get paid for Vibecoding. 2k! 2k on the standard brief. Isn't that insane? Or, well, insane, like, it just shows it doesn't matter if you Vibecode or not. And concept, the Millennium for the focus. Oh, I was so nervous. I debuted Legion. Oh, what did it do? Or what did Legion do exactly? I'm not sure. What happened? What is this? Wait, so who can support the new name? This is a strange brief, but I'll read it with the goal. Hi, my name is Hunter and I've been building websites since high school. Okay, let me quickly then add it, copy paste the intro that I made. Hi, could you please be more specific with your goals? You say profession-focused projects, but what kind of projects do you mean with that? Or like on a base-to-base project base? Oh, bases, or well, here. Sometimes I like need to type because it like doesn't cancel properly. Let me give you the TL. Ah, nice. Where did you download Fiverr? Or on the mobile app? But now, also a tip for everybody. It also says in the PDF, classroom scroll the way down, Fiverr to noobs. Why do you need access to my PC? But sure. Motherfucker. Or is it just me? Haha, okay, funny. I think it decided to go. Give me a moment for whoever tried the site. The site thing block is everything you can do. What the fuck? One moment, Dollar Vibe Club might be down. No, that's from yesterday. No, it should be fine. Okay, Dollar Vibe Club is down for a moment. Don't know how, but... Also, for whoever just DDoSed the site in some way or form, it's probably because some of the email me the code of Rapplet was open. Very funny, but I'm making money. I literally probably got 2k, and you're just like, what, in your little room trying to DDoS. I assume. No, I didn't get hacked. Somebody just overloaded the site with requests on Dollar Vibe Club. I assume. So the site will be down for a bit, but I'll continue my preach anyway. So, Fiverr, download the mobile app. Yeah, I know it's getting DDoS, so I'm now gonna shut the site down again. Well, let me see. Yeah, okay, here. But whoever, I know you're probably watching, very fun, but just know you're just wasting your time. I made another 2k and you could too. You could literally also make money, but you're like DDoSing a site that doesn't even, it's free. Our site is free. Why do you DDoS it even? Normally it has Cloudflare, or well, not Cloudflare, but it has like Rapplet security, but I'll enable Cloudflare again in it. But it has it set up. I'm 15, also it's an AI. I got no clue if I should put... I would put it monthly. Monthly is always the best. And yes, open source tools dev. I use GPT 5.6 currently for my projects. Okay, we'll use split screen. Make me the full document to like fully set this all up. Do a full research document and then we'll get started. I'm not even gonna get on the visual board, but here. It's not a really nice PDF. Well, it's fixing it. But like, I don't even get why. The site is free and literally has PDFs teaching you how to make money. What use is DDoSing the site? But yeah, then it's probably because the live hackathon page was open on like the application requests. I'm pretty sure that's the thing. Next time I'll check with the security agent more. True. Open source. I used to only use Claude code. Like now I have 5x on Claude, 5x on Codex, but soon I'll switch over to 20x on Codex if we could launch that. Yeah, but I'm not interested in that, Mike. Nah, like, just ignore. Is there... yeah, there's a... why, you don't even need to Sandstock Fiverr Linux? No, there's everything on Fiverr. You can sell video editing and so on, so on, so on. This is my jam, this is what it... Also, let me continue with this here. But we'll now make the project for split screen. This is my jam, this is what I wanted. Ah, nice. Okay, I can have you... So we can... I don't really have LinkedIn, if that's what you mean. I currently only use Discord. I never heard it. Ah, okay. But no, definitely Linux, definitely go check out Fiverr. You can do anything. Video editing, photography, like photos, anything. You can do anything on Fiverr, pretty much. Yo, Mime, welcome to the stream, or I'll just call you Mime. Welcome to the stream. I'm now currently competing for the 100k, which currently I have. The main ones I use are Claude 5x and Codex 5x. I used to have 20x on Claude, but now I have like 5x on both to see and compare. And like, just see which one's better. Ah, nice. But Mike, you could also sell that on Fiverr for security. I run down just this sort of... Yeah, I'm not that interested in running them down, so... But we'll get it fixed in a few, Mike, don't worry. Let me see. But we'll have the ID now and we'll fully build it. Nah, you're putting the food on your table, on their table, Linux. I'm just a random guy on the internet telling you that it's possible to make money. Like, if I can make on Fiverr as like an 18-year-old 10k a month on Fiverr. No, Mime. I have unlimited credits and I don't even... Like, I got 100 Euro extra from the Buildathon. I got like 100 Euro extra in the Buildathon. I didn't even reach those credits yet. I can use ultra high, ultra speed, but the speed I'll turn off for now, just because I'm not in a rush. Because how much we on? Because it reset again today. But no, Linux, definitely check out Fiverr and then later on just check the PDF. But definitely do check the Discord to join the Discord and then we can talk there. A lot of people help each other and then you can see. Mitch, that's a bad response. Linux, there's a full PDF also in the Discord and it explains A to Z. It's better if you read the full PDF than just... It has all the info in it. I'll like tell you info on the stream too, but the PDF has all the info in it. And Mitch, that's a really bad mindset. Just like, not the beggar, the bro. Like, you can make money your own. Like, learn, like, teach the man how to fish and teach the man how to fish instead of giving him fish, like they say. Bro, it's like a glitch, Mime, but I'm on the 5x, so I don't know. Are you on the 5x too, or on what plan? Yeah, Lego Geek, send me your project. Go to the Discord. The Discord, by the way, is description of the stream. It has the Discord link in it. Join via that link, and then you can just go to Project Showcase. Nah, normally it's all good. Stomio's also on it. Oh well, let me see. Nah, but all good. Not in a rush to like get it fixed. I'm on the 50x. Crazy. Let me quickly send this client. For me, it's a bit glitched, Mime, on everything. Just for the reset. For me, it automatically resets for some reason. Also, now let me quickly... The AI is now making the full plan, and then we can get started. No, but we fix it later. Like, no problem, Mike. No, it does use usage, mine, but just not as much. I've just unlimited usage, I don't know. I'm on the 5x, I don't know, it just has unlimited usage for me. So I'm now waiting for it to make the full plan and then we'll get started. I do like the ID. Will it win the OpenAI Buildathon? It's more of like a more fun ID. The PDF, I'll send it to you in a few, I have it also, but it's also in the Discord. But in a few you also get it on the site, let me see. I'm with... Okay, nice already, nice animation. Let me see. No, you don't get unlimited usage, by the way, Mime. You just get like 110 tokens. 11 here, 12 here. Okay, nice. I built with AI, nice. A few things I would change is, for example, this, because it's like a visual bug here in the line. But normally I can fix that. Explore my... Also, what I would do, Lego Geeks, always put a photo on of your face on your portfolio or on like your website. Not webs. On like your Fiverr, always put a photo of your face that people know who they're working with. For example, I send you 8k and I just see Lego Geeks and I see a character of like a Lego, then you need to have a connection with the client. So even, it doesn't matter if you're 15, just put your face on there and just show. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, it does look vibe coded, but you can change it. But this is fine, it's just... This I would change. This I would just remove fully. Or maybe put something different there. Let Google Labs generate you something. Fix map. More in this. And make the sites just very simple. Yeah, or what, even put this on top. Just put your face here. Just like top right the face, or like let AI generate you with a suit on. I'm like double checking some other stuff also. This is okay. Here's too much empty space. There should be something here, or make the text a bit... Yeah, no, you need something else here, or a longer text, or there's less white space. Yeah, just say I use AI tools to help me in development, but never say AI build it. Because you have some people with a big ego that think, but I can build that with ChatGPT, and then they make a shit website. So never, always sell it. Walid, what you need to do is join the Discord. The guide is on the website and also in the Discord. I'll send the guide in a few for everybody here. The guide will be in the Fiverr internet or freelance game. Give me a moment. Give me a moment to like find the PDF. It will be in the freelance game and I'll ping y'all, or if I can find your user. What account do you mean? For the codex. Yeah, but I don't know, it's just a glitch or something. Freelance game. Here. PDF is in the freelance game, you can download it. I would recommend you read it, don't just throw it into AI. Just skim the PDF, read it. Don't just throw it into AI, please. Like, you need to learn also, don't just listen to the AI constantly. Okay, so basically leave less open states and how to make it. Let me see. Yeah, just this, the layouts. Make sure that this either goes through or remove this orange tint. And maybe don't put too much... Oh well, that's fine. Like I was gonna say for this. Play the game. I'm like still taking a look at everything. But I would try and redesign this just fully. This I would change with your face and maybe don't make sure that the backgrounds move. I worked Bug Bounty as Red Team. I don't know what that is. I do know like a lot of like coders or like bug hunting, but I've never heard of Bug Bounty. From Fiverr? What do you mean? Yeah, from Fiverr. That's the one. That's one of the PDFs, and soon I'll send you the others too. But they're all free anyway. They're somewhere in the Discord, but I'll send them. Is the AI almost done? No. Nah, but there's just a lot I would change. This needs to be bigger, and this, I would just get rid of the, like, the mouse thing. The red ball, like, that moves, just because it, like, gives too much visual glitches if you don't set it up well. So I would just remove it. And the here, I would personally, it's nice. Oh well, that I would keep. But just a face, a photo of your face here would already help a lot. Or maybe bottom right, add the button. It gives a pop-up, and then for a video, like speak, or you could like make 2 videos, one where you speak in your language and then one in English. It helps with that. Tasker Data, welcome to the stream. I think I've seen your name before, or well, I remember that profile pic from somewhere. I'm not sure though. Oh, the AI is still making the plan, but now we have a good idea. Yeah, no mouse. Remove the mouse, like the strange orange orb in the mouse. But definitely do just show your face, that people know. That's the main thing in business, that they know who they're dealing with who they're working. That they like can match a face to the name. And also, but it says that in the Fiverr PDF and all that, make an easy name on Fiverr. Simple, like Linux is, or well, Linux is a general coding language, I don't want to do, but like your name needs to be easy to say, like Johnny, Hunter Yip, it needs to be simple to say, like don't make, I'm now just using Jacob's name as example here on Discord or on the chat. Don't make your name GTA2K like on Fiverr. It needs to be something like a 40-year-old could like easily say in like the business, like, hey, I'm working with Hunter Yip on Fiverr, I'm working with Jacob on Fiverr, I'm working with Tommy on Fiverr, Tommy Yip XYZ on Fiverr. It needs to be a simple name that everybody can say. And that's like not too difficult to remember. Okay. We will see how this works. But I have great hopes for this project. He's like making full PDFs for some reason. Like, they will be in the Obsidian file, so that's nice though. And for all the ones new in the stream, definitely do. Lego Geeks, I already said it on the stream, it truly doesn't matter on your region. Yes, you will not make 10k in your first 3 months, no. But there are people from the chat, like Phoenix, also on Fiverr, that makes money from Fiverr. You can make money from it. It doesn't matter if your region is India, Pakistan, Korea, Singapore, Belgium, France, Sweden, Bolivia. It doesn't matter. If you just put in the work, you can outwork 99.9% of people. Thumbnails, good descriptions, a video, like your services, all of that. You can outwork all of them. And that's in anything you do in life. You can outwork 99.9% of the population if you really go at it. But I do say because you're 15, it's a bit harder and you need to go in like the parental program. Like you need to figure that stuff out. You need to like talk with support. It's the only thing. But you can already learn Vibecoding, learn the future, because times are changing. For example, the whole can I automate? What do you mean? Can I automate it? What do you think it can? But what's optimize or automate what? If you want to automate your Fiverr, that's illegal. You cannot let AI automate your Fiverr with messages and so on, because if they catch you, they ban you immediately. And they have lots of scans for that and so on. And that I do not recommend. Don't be lazy, like just download Fiverr on the phone or on the laptop and just check it once a while. If you mean that, but don't I've had that question before. Do not use AI to automate or automate your Fiverr. Like, just respond to the messages. And you can use AI to make the messages and like refine them. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, your emails are back. I don't know why that happened. It's all good. But it was from like yesterday. I don't know why that happened. He's making the full PDFs. And then we can get started. The design I already have some ideas for. Okay, I don't know why that happened. I'll close this. We now have the full PDFs like are being constructed for the AI agents, and then you can get started. Because this AI is gonna speedrun this project in the next few hours. Like, it needs to get done. And we will get this done easily. What type of course, or what? You can just sell Vibecoding. We teach people to sell Vibecoding. Vibecoding is the best thing you can sell and also the most profitable. But if you're like into video editing, you can also sell that. But I recommend everybody to sell Vibecoding. And if you have like some other talent like video editing or like UGC, you can also do that. But I recommend you also have Vibecoding on your profile because that's popping off right now. And it can make you lots of it, and it can make you lots more profit than, for example, UGC would, or like UGC content. Now we just wait until the AI is all done, and then we'll go from there. Because I sell only AI, website related gigs on my Fiverr and apps, like web apps. Yeah, just apps and websites. There's all code related stuff. And also content sometimes, but that's like different. It's mainly then like with the website included. Now we just need to wait. Like, that's now the main thing. We just need to wait until all the PDFs are done and the AI can start working. But I'll spin up multiple agents so it goes much faster. Okay, once this is all done, get started. Like, start multiple agents, sub-agents, and start building the front-end, back-end, and get this started. Already get the first version, just very rough V1 of the ground, so I can start fine-tuning with the design. Use all the plugins like Impeccable and all the design plugins at your disposal and skills that I have for you to get this all set up and running V1. Nah, Upwork is good, Alden. It's just you need to pay for the connections. Like, Fiverr is more the people come to you, and with Upwork you need to go to the people. Because on Upwork, the people aren't searching for sellers, they're just like making a request and they will go to and then all the sellers will go to that post, DM, and like talk. It's different, but both are good. Like Dribbble and Upwork are the same, or like kinda the same workflow of how it works. And Fiverr is completely different, that the sellers need to, or well, the buyers need to go to you. It's a different flow, but it's around the same. That also works, local geeks. That especially local clients are great. And I would recommend you try and push them to Fiverr. Yes, you need to pay 21%, but then you get an extra review and you get even more clients from Fiverr. Nah, but definitely that's also good. And if you just follow what's in the PDFs to like set up the offers with a demo and so on, then you can like pull them in on Upwork. Because nobody on Upwork that sends a DM is like sending a full demo. Almost none. But no, finding people and then making websites is also good. And like, I'm gonna sound like one of those gurus on Insta, but you can just like scrape Google Maps, find an outdated website and do that stuff. And yes, I think in India you will get paid a bit less, but you can still get you can still get enough money to like get the 20x subscription and so on. But it's harder to sell if you're like a 15-year-old, because I don't know how the culture there is, and like if they would then look down on you and like say, ah, but you're 15, or well, 15 I mean. But you could still 100% do that. And if you just keep going, you will get rejected, LEGO Geeks, probably a lot, if you do the whole cold emailing, but you will get clients. You will get rejected. Like maybe 1 in 20 will say yes, but that's still 1 in 20. Well, we're going to mostly offer my email. Ah, nice. But that's it would be different. I don't know if there's a lot of posts for that. There will probably be loads of it, but I just haven't checked that. 1,000? Or what do you mean? 1,000 I think for each or so for the first 5 gigs? Or what do you mean for how much in between or how much they were? 1,000 or so? Or around that price? Also, for all the ones new in the stream, do not forget to like and subscribe. In the description, join the Discord. We have like, everybody helps each other out there. We have a project showcase, we have a few gigs and a few PDFs there that teach you how to make money online pretty much. One seeking truth. I have loads of projects, but if you mean for OpenAI Build Week, I'm building split screen. It's like gonna be some kind of debating app. And that's what we're gonna do. We're first gonna do the V1, and we're gonna get this all up and running. We have 2 days. And we'll get that 15k. Like, if I get the dev day / exchange pass, I'm going to be live streaming at the Codex office or like Codex team. So, if you win this competition, I'll do an IRL stream. Like, I don't need to tell them my age. Also, I'm fine with it. Also, I can just let my work do. Yeah, that's true. And you do need to tell them your age. Because if you, or well, don't per se, but if you ever are like hop on a video call, you do need to like explain a bit. But yeah, true. Oh, there's a lot for jobs. Ah, nice. Well, I didn't check a lot for SEO on Upwork, but, well, Upwork is a good place, same as Fiverr. Cool. Like, we just need to get the V1 off the ground, then I can, like, fine-tune. I like this idea, and we'll just get up and running, and so on. And the ID, can this make profits? Yes, a little. Is it fun? Yes. Will it work for education and debating? Yes. We'll probably end up in this category, either in apps for your life or education. That's where we end up. No, like when you had low, did you already charge? Yes. I already charged 1k, yes. But like the PDF explains, you do not put 1k in your first and your lowest offer. You put 170 and so on. Like, I'm just starting. What all should I know? Yeah. Psycho, I'll just say, I cannot pronounce Psycho Roku. You do not need, like, to know a lot. You can just get started. Just get started and, like, build your app. Nobody can teach you Vibecoding. Or, well, they can teach you a bit, but the only thing you would need currently is Codex. In my opinion, get the Codex, $20, or, well, yeah, start with the $20 plan on Codex, and that's all you need. If I may ask, what kind of app do you want to make? Or are you just planning to do client work? Or what kind of thing? Or just what is the ID, Psycho Goku? Or Goku, I mean. Or just like already have an app in mind, or just want to get client work first, get some money in the pocket. I do recommend everybody just get client work. Just get money. For example, you get a few clients worth 1,000 euro or like 1,000 USD. That's enough for like for the 20x on Claude and Codex, and then you can start working your own apps. Nah, both are good, Jacob. Both are good. Only way to learn. Yeah, true. The only way to learn is just trying. Just make your app, try it, and you can always fine-tune. Nah, but Codex is good, Jacob. Don't hate on like Claude and Codex are like in the top. They're like both the best, like one of the best. And like they're good in their own things. Like for example, ChatGPT has nice image generation 2, or ChatGPT image 2 is nice, so. Okay, all good. Just wanted to change the music for a moment. Well, just lower it, I mean. Freeze and verify, nice. Now the AI is going through all the documents, and then he'll get the V1 ready, and then we'll get up and running. I'm like not fully convinced about the ID yet, but I do like the AI debating thing for V1, and this can like get lots of traction. And like, there's nothing that's like this yet. You don't have multiplayer GPT, kinda. So this is more, it's a fun idea. And it can like fit in the education. 5.6 is high, it's great so far. Yeah, truly, Martin, I'm also like So happy with 5.6. Compared to Fable 5, yeah, I know some people will hate in the chat, but in my opinion 5.6 Sol is a bit better than Fable. They just debuffed Fable, it comes down to that. And just feels 5.6 Sol much better, in my opinion. Cool, come on. I wanted to do the full design and everything, but once I see the first design, then I can like get Envato for fonts and so on. Where is it even fonts? And then I like can get started on that stuff and choose what I want. I started on project for like Universe for like virtual assistant using Claude and Build. What do you mean virtual assistant? But how do you currently promote at the moment? Just curious. Like, have you done any promotion currently? Like, have you made posts? Like, just start posting. I recommend everybody that's like really a hardcore Vibecoder to start streaming. Like, I would recommend everybody to do that. But to get your app traction, it's so like not hating. I didn't go viral yet. But if you look at Instagram, all the videos that go viral are just somebody talking, a white box up top with text. So just make videos where you talk about your project, or like make relatable content just on Insta, and you'll get users. And also it depends how much is your app. Like that needs to be reasonable price. Don't make it 50 a month, like in my opinion at least. I don't know how good or what the app is, but so have you made any move? I have made 31k on Fiverr Vibecoding, and then I'm also contracted with a few companies, and I have my own projects too. But the 31k is with Vibecoding, or with Fiverr. Have you made any money with Vibecoding? I'm developing anime. What do you mean anime calendar? Also, do you have any recommendation how to make? I would send me the project. If possible, join the Discord. It's in the stream description, and go to Project Showcase and send me the link. I am curious though. It's a bit harder to make like money with a calendar like that. Or well, not big money, but you could sell it for like €1 or so. I don't know how in-depth it is, so I might be wrong. Also, what was the glitch? But you could make just a €1 price tag one time, like to get the calendar. But what is it? Like, is it a digital calendar or... You just start doing Fiverr, like we have a full PDF, Saiko Roku. Full PDF, Discord, freelance game, fully explains it, A to Z, free. It explains how I got 30 reviews in under 6 to 7 months as an 18-year-old fresh on Fiverr. And then my coworker and mentor, Tommy Yip, he has been in the game for a few years, 2 years. Look at his profile. Yeah, and yes, he's my family, we have the same family name. Here, 406. He will teach you, like we will teach you how to make money on Fiverr, and that's not the only thing. You can make money online everywhere. I'm using it for fonts, loosely spoken. I'm just waiting for the AI to finish the first version, so I can like have the thing. The first version is somewhere in the Discord, but I'll send you it later, Linux, fully, or when it's all set up, or well, when I have it again. I'm trying to sell, just use Google. Oh well, I was then talking to the other guy, but what do you mean just how to make pro? Ah, okay, not trying to sell, just use Google Ads. Oh well, then I'm a bit confused, Martin. I mean, I thought you wanted to make money with the anime calendar, or what do you mean? Or you're like, I'm not trying to sell, just use Google Ads? Or I'm a bit confused. Cool, I need the AI to finish, and then I can choose the font I want to do. But already Linux, go set up your Fiverr account already, go set up the Fiverr. That PDF has everything you need to already get the Fiverr startup. Also, I'll show you all my mentor and coworker. Let me go to Tommy. Every Friday, if I can find the video. Every Friday, Tommy has Freelance Friday. What happens there? He will go over your Fiverr profile. He has 450 or over 450 reviews on Fiverr. And he will go look at your profile and say, this you need to change, this you will need to change, this you need to update. And he will literally sit down with you and help you with it. Now this was with a live viewer review, but you submit it in the Discord, he will take a look at it and then so on. But sometimes we have like a live viewer on streams. Anyway, if my AI can finish, I can like fully set up the designs. Why is he already in Supabase? But yeah, we'll use Supabase for the backend. I wanted to use like something different, but yeah, but it depends on like the usage and all that stuff. But all good. Which in the backend usage? Uh-oh. For me, it doesn't run dry, but I reset it in this morning, or it reset this morning for some reason. But for me, it doesn't run dry. Mime. Or Mienko. But I'll just say random names from what I see. Also, for all those new in the stream, I see that we're at 33 viewers. Do not forget to... I just Vibecode all the way. What did you just Vibecode, Fandix? Also, do send me it in Discord. If it's nice, I'm curious. But now everybody in the stream, we are at 33 viewers. Do like and subscribe, help the stream out. We need 2 more subs and then we're at 360. So do like and subscribe. Whoa, the AI needs to like lock in for a moment that I can like get all started. A microsas? Ah, nice. But what kind of microsas? Now I'm curious. What exactly does it do? Also, the AI is taking so slow, but I think he's like making it A2C. Yeah, but like you can send the link in YouTube, but it censors it. Look. Like I'm not removing it or anything. YouTube blocks links in streams. Or it's like set up that way. Why does this thing have like a aura around it? But I'll need to check that in a few. I'm now just waiting for the AI to finish. Normally it's a bit more visual interactive, but still. Or maybe for the fun of it, there's the Higgsfield Academy, and then we'll mess around with the course. I mean here. If there's like something interesting we can build. Yes, oh well, I'll check it in a few. Wait, give me a moment. Right. I am implementing a full build for the V1. It's like gonna be an AI debating app. Like you have your debate and your friend has a debate and the AI will see what is better and like help you. It's like to help people learn, and I'm going to like put in education. It's a bit hard to explain, but once it's all done you will get it. Let me see. It's the scraper, basically growth rate for you, but I'm not sure if it's with how you can use. Yeah, it's like if it's free, then it's useful though, like Appify. Hey, I would remove Lego Geeks, remove this thing on the mouse. Like remove the special mouse ball. Here, just put your face. Fix this black space on the right. Just fix it. I think it's just a problem. Just say to the agent, make sure that everything is full width. And then he will understand. Or accept this, but just on the top things. This is already better. Nice. This just goes to GitHubs. Now for the rest, just fix that and then all good. And just spacing, for example here also. It's just the layout. If you say to the agent full width, you'll understand. And for example, just make sure that these small details are fixed. That it doesn't like get obstructed and so on. It's details, like also for clients, and details. Those are like, I got an $800 tip on Fiverr. The client was so happy, he gave me an $800 tip. Imagine that. Also, do you answer? So if so, how you have made? All from Fiverr. All from Fiverr. And Mac, join the Discord. There's a full PDF explaining it. Yes, it's free. No, I'm not selling a course. There's a full Fiverr PDF. And we also soon, or well, the website, you can just join the Discord and you'll see the website there. And I can explain it all, but that's all from Fiverr, and it's so easy. I am 18 years old and I can do it. Everybody can make that. It's all from Vibecoding. Shortly explained, what do I sell on Fiverr? I sell Vibecoding gigs. I sell websites, AI, SaaS tools, mobile apps. Or mainly websites even. I did like one mobile app. But it's just so simple. The PDF fully explains it in Discord and so on. But if you have any specific questions, Mac, just do tell me. And everybody that's new to the stream, do like and subscribe, because it helps a lot on YouTube. Also, if the AI is done, then we can like compete with them. Yeah, but like give it a moment. The site is loading. Give it a moment. The main site we use is like loading, but join the Discord already, and then soon you can check it all out. And in the Discord there's also, you can always ask people for help. Your sure cursor need... Nah, adding your face isn't needed, but change the cursor, trust me, change the cursor. You can listen to me or you don't listen, like they say, I don't care, but I would remove it and it helps. Or well, like the YouTubers say, or I don't know what Vibecoding or what Big Finance Guide always said, you can listen to me or you don't, I don't care. But you can change it, it's way better. If you change it, the site will look better and more trustworthy, especially in India, because I've heard that people are like against Vibecoding and all that blah blah. Just have the regular mouse. And just add a bit more smooth animations with the orange, because that's on the site. But definitely do all the things I already told you to do, for except like the layout, full width, on the left, that certain things don't get cut off on the text. Do already those fine-tunes. Just look at the website and think, can I improve this? Yes, for example, the text is not fully readable. Or for example, the text is cut off. Things like that. And then you can like slowly learn and see and so on. Also, the AI should almost be done. And I'm going to give it a font soon. I'm just gonna leave it on this because I just need the AI to wait. Normally I have like multiple tabs open and working, but for the stream I like to talk. So then I have just one tab open. And I don't really have any urgent projects. Just this Buildathon and Higgsfield, so that's it. Just 2 Buildathons, so. Well, we'll do it. I'll do it for you, Mime or Mienko. How far is it still in the development? Well, normally I do that, but like I just like to wait. Here, we'll see how far he's in development. Let me see if the message even came through. How far are you in the development? Give me a percentage. For all the ones new in the stream, do say hi, let me know what you're working on, and like and subscribe, it helps the stream a lot. Also, let me even switch cam for a moment. I haven't switched in a while. But yeah, it's like working, so it doesn't listen. Like, it will respond in like a minute or so. Now we'll have this screen open. Can I do it? Then I can do my thing. Yeah, welcome to Codex. But we just ignore it. Let me see. I'm just waiting for the AI to finish while I do some other stuff on the side. Also, let me check Discord. Right, it's all good. And just like having this screen on. Do you know how to... No, Claude doesn't really have a steer feature like Codex does. As far as I know. gotta double check some stuff here. I like actually being on the face cam just because then I can talk more. Then like I'm like more intended to talk, or like more forced to talk, and I'm like can work on my other screen anyway. Now we just need to wait until the AI is done. But I do have like some ideas for the design. But that once I like see the AI slop design and like get ideas to improve it. Will the ID win? Who knows? But in education we'll definitely have a spot. In Apps Real Life and this one will have a good spot. One winner. And if we win this, mark my words, I'll do a live stream and I'll meet the Codex team. We'll do a full IRL stream. Tommy will also go with me then, because we have 2 passes, like I'll take him with me. And if he wins also, because he's also competing, then we have 2 random passes that we'll see what we'll do with. What else is it? What is this Dev Day exchange pass? Where is this? In which country? What is the location? San Francisco all the way. Or what? 4 spots offered someone the registration is 650. New swap and their credits and IDs. I think they'll just give you a shout out on the Instagram. I think it just means that. Not sure though. Also, why did it change? I just assume they'll give you a shout out on the Instagram or something. Or on the Twitter. The opening keynote will live stream. Nah, nice. They just were bring Dev to Bangalore, Tokyo, Seoul, I mean Paris, Berlin, London, so nice. Now if you win, we'll live stream that for sure. Yeah, here, 85. And that's for the V1. And for the V1 then I can take a look and then he will work for the backend on all the V2s. Kinda shit design, but like I see potential in the favicon. I see the potential though. It doesn't look like AI slot per se. I see potential, and like I can work with that. Let me see. We'll continue with that. Get to like the V1, and I'll probably end stream like at 1 hour or so, like at 3 hours. But I see potential in this. I see potential. Once done, open it in localhost for me, thank you. I just use Codex for localhost. Normally I let like Claude Code do it in GitHub, and then I like connect it to Vercel, but with localhost and Codex it's like easier and faster. When you have such a, how do you break it down? And milestones, if you mean client projects, I mean, I do it in like milestones. Milestone 01, wireframe and design, just the front end. Then milestone 2, back end. And then if there's a milestone 3 for like all the more complex backends, like if it's like connected to some AI or like all the more enhanced features. It depends on the project, but it mostly just goes wireframing and design and backend. Like always split those 2 up. For this project I'm just winging it as like a V1. And like I always focus on the front design first and then make sure that all the backend works. I told you how to fix spacing and filled all up. It did not work. What does it? You just need to make the prompt yourself. Lego Geeks. Also the first thing I would do you have whisper flow or do you have like a transcript? Because if you see how I prompt with the AI, I talk. I don't type. Like with talking you can get more of your info over. So definitely install Whisperflow or Lemon, just so you can talk with the AI, and that you can give your IDs, give your feedback more easily instead of typing. It's just easier and your fingers will thank you. For example, if you're like having a 8-hour Vibecode session, your fingers will hurt after typing, normally. But that's why I like Whisperflow, you can talk with it and all that. I'm not sponsored, no, but... Well, not. It's just a good tool, or use Lemon, or make your own transcript tool. Just use a transcript tool. Yep, I have Whisperflow with free version. Ah, okay. Or try Lemon then or some others. Because I don't know how good the free version of Whisperflow is. I did find a commercial, like the people of Whisperflow had like a whole promo thing with like some Dutch guy, or I 100%, like 90% sure it was a Dutch guy running in a marathon to like make an app. That was fun. Like that was a good marketing stunt though. I think it was in Holland. Like, let me see, Whisperflow, guy running marathon. Yeah, it was a Dutch guy in Amsterdam. But Chinese... What do you mean? The models, or what do you mean? Or I cannot pronounce that name, though. My Chinese isn't that great. But Chinese STT... Or what do you mean STT? I'm not a technical person, I'm just a guy that makes money on the internet by Vibecoding. Like, I don't know technical terms, I don't know coding languages and so on. I know basic server architecture and like architecture just from like a video and like PDF I watched. But just like architecture, I cannot like do the code or like not fully read the code. I can like read snippets. Even though I had it like for some time at school, but like we didn't learn anything, bro. Literally not anything. We didn't even go as we got as far as like Excel, because like the lessons just didn't work on school. In my whole school district at least, because nobody knew how to like operate a mouse for some reason. Step 3 out of 7. Okay, V1 should almost be done. The design is like a good start. A very good start. And I might even change the ID still. We have like 2 days on the clock. You could vibe code really full projects in a few hours. You just need to lock in if you make those projects, and then you can start it. So I'll see if I keep this ID or switch it, and so on, so on, so on. And also for all the ones new in the stream, do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot on YouTube. And do also try and leave a comment on one of the older streams or videos. I have a few videos and more also in the works. And soon, or well, we'll have daily shorts. We now have daily shorts from now on. And then soon I'll also do more face shorts of me just talking, mindset and all that. Just everybody can make it. It's truly, the time is greater than the Californian gold rush. You can go from broke, that broke, to a millionaire. And it's never been easier. It's like crazier than the Californian gold rush. If you really think about it and you compare between all those times of like mass wealth generation opportunity, this has been the biggest one yet. Vibe coding, like working with AI, that's never been this great compared to like all the others in time, like gold rush and all the discovery of the Americans, so on, so on, so on. Shall I change the cursor to something else or remove? I would remove the cursor. I would remove the cursor fully, Lego Geeks. Just remove it and just try and enhance the layout. Just make sure there's no visual glitches like a few I found. I didn't check that, but make sure that it works on mobile, because people will visit your website on a mobile phone, and if it doesn't look good and it doesn't have like a nice menu, people are not gonna click around in it. Just so make sure it's mobile optimized. Ask the AI to do it. Normally, if you have a good AI, I don't remember which one you were using, but he should be able to figure out mobile optimization and like the mobile menu by himself. It depends on the AI, but normally Codex, Claude can figure it out. The others, I don't know. Oh, give me like the... I need the full screen, come on AI. Localhost 3000. Fable 5? Yeah, Fable 5 definitely can do that. That's no problem. What's this? Okay, design is a bit shit. It's already... Wait, what was this? Okay, so we have the general ID. Design, bad. Logo, I have IDs. Okay, the AI is still working, but... could you give me a full prompt to generate me a better logo and favicon? I'll generate it in ChatGPT image 2. Give me the full prompt. But all the ones new in the stream, say hi. Let me know what you're working on. Join the Discord in the description. We have like a channel, project showcase. There's so many unique there's so many projects in that channel. You can like scroll around in it, check. Like people making AI systems, people making apps, mobile apps, everything, man. It's so nice to see. It's nice to see like all these apps like from different people, like seeing the whole creative flow, like seeing like how and why they came up with that app ID. I see a lot of apps get made because people get... Vibecoding gives like the option, if you're not a coder, to like make apps to just help yourself. For example, I know an app that I found really nice. I forgot the full name of it, I should know it. It was like an app for dyslexic people that they like could help. It was like a nice gamified version. I should know. Let me find it. I know I have it. I know I can like find the name somewhere fast. But truly, it was such a nice app if I can find it. I've created Discord CLI that agents can use to set up this. Nice! I had something like that, but it was like with a Discord bot, not with CLI. Oh well, I cannot find it. But no, you have so many nice projects, it's truly insane. Like, just nice to see people use all those projects and like use Vibecoding to generate all that. Why do you have the Vercel logo there? Strange. How do we update this design? That's a question. First off, font. Let me like see which font speaks to me today. Bitrate. It needs to be... what if we type education? What do we get? Like, do we get some nice... Well, I know it's typed wrong, but... Here, education. Do we get a nice font? Pantera seems nice, but it's like too... Hermes changed the game for me. I haven't used Hermes personally. I like used OpenClaw for a bit, but I never really went that in depth. But what does Hermes do for you, if I may ask? What exactly does it do? Okay, no, this is not nice. I'll just scroll through here and get the one I like that speaks to me, really. Monoblock, no. Commune is a bit better. Night. Let me see. Hi, just because you use chat, don't use Guild Fable. Crazy, yo. But yeah, no, I do like still Claude, but like currently, if you can convince me, I will get the 20x on Codex. I currently have the 5x on Claude and on Codex. I'm now competing them between each other this month. The best one, I'll get a 20x again. I used to have 20x on Claude. Let me get a good font, like... This one speaks to me, I don't know. This one speaks to me, kinda. Yeah, this one speaks to me, I'll use it. I will update you, or help you update the full design of everything, but already implement this font. And if there's anything else you need to do for the V2 of the design, do it. Normally has like the full thing. But I do like, I think 100 is the best balance, not gonna lie. What do you mean 100? Maybe. Yeah, I just now have both, but like 200 on both of them is just overkill. Because when I had like the 20x on Claude, like my subscription also didn't run the guy. So I'll probably either get one of them on 5x and one of them on 20x, but I'm never gonna have both of them on 20x. Because that's just overkill, in my view. Yeah, no, I know it gave me the prompt here. I'm not convinced, personally. I don't even know what this looks like. Split screen, like, it does it... Automation research, being able to use any LM via OpenGuard or memory. Ah, nice. I don't know. Give me the prompt for in a different style for split screen. I liked like the first favicon and logo you generated for me, but just generate me a full prompt and I'll generate it in ChatGPT and then see from there. But this is like decent, but I'm not convinced, bro. I used the existing set here, extra high 1.5 speed and quite pretty much always on. Ah, nice. Yeah, normally I put it on ultra, but for the stream I had it on like 1.5. Now I lowered it because, well, I'm just streaming and I like to talk a bit on stream. Normally I have multiple tabs open, working on multiple projects, but currently I don't really have a lot of urgent projects. I just have Higgsfield and this one for the Buildathon for 100k. And I will say this again, if I win this Buildathon, then I will live stream in the OpenAI in San Francisco, and I'll be interviewing the random Codex people and Sam Altman if he's there. The guy you told will stream the person who can sit, but me and help. What do you mean? Do it for a gig or just like he just does it like that, or what do you mean? It's free. You just like go onto the list, and if you get chosen, he helps you with your Fiverr. Or what do you mean for your other? Yeah, you just submit it for free, and then if you get chosen, you get. Or when he has time. It's the same with me. If I have time, I check your project, but it won't be always. You don't need to pay. My info is free. I don't believe in course selling. If that's what you mean. Like I don't. Course selling is like, in my opinion, a lot of course sellers are just faking it, and that's just true. A lot of course sellers, a bit of controversial opinion, a lot of course sellers are just faking it. They're just like buying a car and then just promoting, buy my course, and there's literally a full site, drop course. It's such a shitty ass thing. You have pre-made courses that they sell. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my rant. Yes, I can't imagine life with harmonies of Gimme Tree. I have used Gimme a bit, but not as in-depth. Does it have to be a new code, or can you... to start from... What do you mean, knack? Or knapsack? If you mean the OpenAI Buildathon, you can start fresh, or it can be an old project. Okay, so... Yeah, just ask me, Lego Geeks. Just ask me or send me the link, or tell me what it is. But nah, fuck the course sellers. I'm not a fan, personally. Just because it's such... You're just, like... Sell women beauty, sell children dreams, sell broke people how they get money fast. Simple, that's the thing. Also, for all the ones new in the stream, do... Damn, where? On Fiverr or on my thing? Or where? Or on, like, YouTube? But nice! Nice, Jacob. I don't know where on the categories you mean, but nice. If it's on Fiverr, W, man. Also, do tell me your impressions on Fiverr. I'm just curious. Also, for all those new in the stream, do like and subscribe. You're on point about these websites. Which websites, or you mean the course selling website, YOLO? Or what? I have no clue. Like, I'm saying so many things that I don't know at this point. Gatekeeper GLM 5.2 doing the heavy work. Nice. I haven't used Gimme a lot though. Personally, I have the subscription. I like gambled for it. It's funny though, like Gimme, I like, if Gimme ever sees this video, I love the gambling wheel. I'm a big fan. Like, the gambling wheel is amazing. It like has my attention, I don't know why. I just find nice the gambling wheel. Also, let me double check this. Nice. Yeah, that's that promote not very good course. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's just... Most people, their courses are just copy-pasted. Like, don't buy them. Don't, like, you can make money for free. Don't pay 50 or, like, don't pay 500 bucks for a course. Just learn it. So it has to be only, so I think, produced. Yeah, you need to use ChatGPT models, knapsack. Only ChatGPT models. You're still building the, or will be starting to... No, I started a new one, added first. Like, I did like one for the Dollar Vibe Club, like an extension, but I wanted to start fresh because I wanted to do the Dollar Vibe Club one anyway. I'm now gonna make split screen, we just started. Yo, yeah, send me the website, Lego Geek, or I'll check it, I have it, I think. I'm now making split screens, like, I'm gonna work in, like, the education category. Or try and get into that. And if needed, I'll, like, submit 2 projects. Fix this still, Ariam, fix this on the right, because it doesn't seem fixed. Or maybe it, like, hasn't loaded yet. Also, what is this? Toggle. Stickman, I don't get free, what does Tommy always say? Take me to dinner first or something? Like, talk with me first. Like, talk with me a bit. What are you building? How are you, Stickman? Like, what you doing? But, like, I don't do free gifts. I'll check your channel in a few, though, if it's, like, interesting or Vibecode related. But, like, talk with me first a bit. This I would change, though. Don't add this. But personally, don't add this. Let me see. I'm just checking for glitches really quick. Here, still on the left. It doesn't seem fixed, Lego Geek or Ariam. Come on, AI. Okay, he already added my font by the looks of it. Let me see. Or well, I assume Stickman creates as a bot or just like goes into chats. What is this? No clue. What do you mean give you an ID? What do you wanna build? Or well, do client work. What I recommend, oh wait, one moment. Let me see, okay. Can you... no, Stickman, just... you can make everything, but I recommend you do client work first. Also, actually, I'm just a big fan of OpenAI because I like full... in my opinion, OpenAI is the OG. YOLOG AI. No, OpenAI is like the OG in my opinion. They're like the OGs. Let's give me do a pass on the side. Nah, on what side? On what side even? But I'll let Kimmy do this maybe later on. But Kimmy ain't that great, bro. Hey bro, you got a Vibecode project? Okay, David, but normally I let people join the Discord and put it in the project channel, but I'll check it. Command... I'm just typing it. Command fleet.app. But I think I'm going to let it... or am I typing it wrong or something? Or am I command fleet? But probably I typed it wrong or something. Okay, if I was... because I think sus is that cool. Sus is kind... it depends. You can still make a lot of sus. Money of sus. 5 from 6. Jacob or Jacoby, what plan are you on? On Codex. Also, imagine sending a locals link to your website and some... yeah, no, we had that happen. Like, don't send the local or don't send that to the client. Like, I saw memes of that before also. Maybe the... okay. Okay, give me a few prompts. Like, give me a prompt that shows me 5 different logos and then the best one will get the full prompt for all the sizes. I'm just like... we'll see for the logo. The logo is also very important. I don't know. This looks nice, but it doesn't say immediately what you do. This I don't even know. I would say it looks like a razor, even. So, this one is the best for now. I'm just using Kimmy via Hermes also. Ah, nice. But Jacoby, do you have... what plan do you have on Codex? Or the 5.6 or whatever it's called. So let me see. Best overall. Let him load and then we'll go from there. And the other AI is just doing backend anyway. 20 so... but what do you have on Codex currently? Or what did you use? Because I have a lot of people that go into the chat and say, yeah, but give me better. But don't... or like say Claude is better, but don't have a subscription to... in my opinion, you can only judge over an AI model if you have the 5x. You need minimum the 5x to have a valid opinion in my eyes if you use a model. I got it. Can we just block new stuff? No, I mean for Codex. Like... in my opinion, I don't use... I thought you said 5.6 hallucinations benchmarks is too high for me. I thought you already used Codex. Or like tested it. Current one with the black screen looks awesome. Which one? This one. I'm letting it generate a few more logos and then we'll go and check which one's best. Fair little... huh? Well, I don't know Iron, but still, peak. For the models... there's like a delay on the stream. I don't know how heavily the delay is. Please piss me off the people without... On Fiverr you mean? But yeah, it depends, Jacob. But get local. Oh well, you have a few local clients, but it was the same for me. I needed to wait months, more than 3 months, or well, 3 months and something, 3 months something. I think you also waited that until then, but I was on my Fiverr every single day. Okay, we are getting somewhere. You just heard me calling you. Is you not? Ah yeah, I had that one guy. But he didn't have Fable 5 either, I think. I used her, or he didn't have. I use Hermes because I don't need codes for a work yet. Ah, okay. Yeah, but you don't need it per se. I'm just saying that some people like say, but that model is bad, but haven't tested it. In my opinion, with almost all models, you can get the work done. With Claude, Codex, Gimme, Cursor, you can get the work done with anything. And this, like, the AI is so good, it doesn't matter per se. Just some models are a bit better. You can get the work done in any agent or any model. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll let it generate a few and I'll choose the best logos for the site. Don't know why the local host stopped, but... Yo, Stickman, welcome to the stream. Yeah, but no, that is true, Johnny. There are people that don't have the subscriptions and give their opinion because they're like having Arena or like Design Arena tell them. Bro, Stickman, we don't do handouts here, bro. Like, you don't even talk with me, bro. No talking, no... I don't even... Tell me what you're making, bro. Or, like, tell me an app idea or what you do. Yes, I agree, it's preference mostly. I'm vibing now with Google AI Studio, kind of stuck. I have used it a bit, but it's like... No hate, it's like cheap. It's cheap, that's the good thing. It's cheap to start. I, like, had a PDF for that. Like, I have a full PDF, I'll put it or share it once a while. But I'll share it in the Discord. It's like a full PDF I made. It has like all info on like free tools. But I mainly used like Gemini for video generation, all that. It's about open weights catching up, not getting work done. Why not get it done better? It's about... I assume it's about open AI catching up, not getting work done. Why not get it done fast? For me, I don't matter. It's just faster. Like, give me like Codex is fast and it works great for me. And I don't mind paying the €100 a month. For me, I don't mind like about paying the €100 a month. Why are you guys so negative? Nah, David, it's like... Yeah, I also don't know what you mean with like negative. It's just a bit discussion about AI models. But I'm not hating on any models. I'm just saying some models are better, but you can make money in all of them. Like, you can make money, you can make your project in all of them. It's just paid models are a bit better. Open weights and open source, you must be... Open weights, I don't know. Open source, I know. Open source, I know, but open weights, I don't know. But like... Wait, not getting work... Wait, it's about catching. No, if you mean open source will ever catch up, I'm sorry, but that ain't gonna happen. Paid models will always be better. That's sadly gonna be the truth. The billion-dollar companies are gonna have better models in the end of the day. And like a local computer in like some garage ain't gonna compete with a server. Like that had a budget of 500 million to be made. Well, not 500 million, but you all know what I mean. Wait, well, DeepSeek new model and Opus. That is true though. But Opus 4.8 is also still good. But Sam D, I'm also not that technical. Open source, open weight, I know. Well, open weights, I don't know. Open source, yes. I just make the apps. I don't really know coding languages. That's pay to win. Yeah, see, Aaron gets it. It's pay to win. It's pay to win to get the Belix subscription. He gets it. Hugging Face, I haven't used that a lot. I've heard of it though. AJ, I am currently making for the OpenAI Buildathon split screen. It will be like an AI debating app / to teach. Also, we have everybody joined. Oh, wrong page. Sometimes it's better to just manually type it. One moment. One moment while I go to my page here. Strange. But well, Tommy posted the link. Yo, Lego Geeks, go into the next channel. But everyone, Tommy just sent the link. Go to that. We are like giving away free Waplets, and we're gonna host a Buildathon every single month. Or like a hackathon, I mean. A hackathon, it's gonna be a 12-hour hackathon. 24th, 25th of July we'll do it. And I'll be live 12 hours straight building. So like the council by kinda like the council like Carpety, but it's more like to like teach people and also like end the debates. And I'm like gonna put it in the education category, Aaron, for this. Also, you're right, but it's like some malls just became anti-OpenAI and promote other multi like derived to make cons from. Oh. Yeah, true. Like OpenAI ChatGPT is the OG. In the pinned chat, this link and or that link. Or well, normally it's just see it's like the pinned chat link. And for all the ones new in the stream, do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps a lot on YouTube. Also, are the new designs ready? The schizo AI, bro. But no, this buildathon is closed, Lego Geeks. We already have 18 members. But next month we'll host one again. There will be a live hackathon every day and people can join. What's wrong with my AI, bro? Here, copy, paste, up. And then like refresh and then mostly it fixes itself. Like, guys, let me know what logo you all prefer for the website. Also, let me continue with V1 and V2 for like the design and build already while I decide on logo. Alright, you Lego Geeks, GG. I'm like thinking, let me know for the logo if you do A, B, C, D, or E. I'm still gonna C, or this one. There's a few good ones. Split screen is like. I'll see, like, needs to be a memorable logo. I'm gonna see what he makes in this generation, and then we'll go from there. Also, I'll close the fonts in a few. Well, I connect to the local host again, so I can, like, take a look. Freiburg let V2. It's like the font type there, where it says, like, Freiburg, or whatever words you say in German, or, like, how you pronounce it in German. Now it's generating, and then we'll go from there. Come on, come on. Is it B? We'll probably take one of these. It will be one viewpoint, one truth. I choose this one because it also looks kind of like an eye. Generate me C, 2 viewpoints, 1 truth fully, and a full image thing with all the sizes for Vibecoding, standard logo, and so on. Normally you should understand. Oh. And then we already have the logo, so we have the base ID set up, and then he's gonna continue. Yeah, it will be online in a few. Yeah, it will be fixed in a few, no worries. Stickman. Let me even... Now I'm just really legit curious, like, if there's gonna be some crazy thing on the channel or not. Cool. But do vibe code something for your Stickman creates. Like, you know what I would do if I was you? Make an app that automatically makes those Stickman creates on YouTube. Like, make an app, like you can connect it with ChatGPT image and then he will automatically generate you like nice designs or something. Do something special or like some portfolio. Make something nice vibe code it. Like, this is the first, like, Stickman, like, talk with me first a bit and then all that. But like bagging, I'm gonna say a bit of lore, or well, not lore, but a bit of motivation, like mindset talk. Bagging isn't gonna get you anywhere. Like, okay, Johnny already, but like a bit of shout out and mindset. begging and like saying, ah, please, please, or like not fulfilling your promises and all that ain't gonna help you. You just show effort, do stuff for somebody, do always help people, do stuff for people, and then they will help you automatically. But don't beg for it. Don't ask or beg and all that stuff. Or like, don't say, ah, give me money, or like, don't give excuses. It's just dumb. Just fix your mindset. Small things like that literally break your mindset, and it's not no hate to Stickman, but fix your mindset, bro. Fix your mindset. That's only negative to you, and I'm like trying to help you with it. Because just begging ain't gonna get you anywhere in life. It's as simple as that. Anyway, logo here. That logo is a bit strange. No. Because that's against the lesson, Stickman. That like goes against it, because begging and like doing stuff like that ain't helping you. What product should I prepare for Trill? Ooh, that's a good question. It depends. Like, try and do general stuff. Bakery, shop, bakery. Let me think. Yeah, just standard things. Bakery, cleaner services is also. Try and use this logo. Thank you. Okay, like I would just do dental, just cleaning, HVAC. Just do like general, the most businesses, just that people now like feel represented. Like if somebody with a bakery comes, then he knows, ah, okay. Let me see, leading image to code skill. It's all good split screen. This is interesting. Well, we chose this logo, so we'll use this logo. It like has like a symbolic meaning, and I can like yap a bit on video and like make up some stuff. Lawyers is also good, yes. Lawyers, HVAC, dental, restaurants. Oh yeah, HVAC, just like all cleaning related stuff. Cleaning. Just cleaning companies, and HVAC is also good. Lawyers, bakery, or well, restaurants, I mean. I need the local host. Please activate also local host for me. Thank you. Always say thank you to the AI also. Let me see. It's loading, so give it a few. Now we just wait. Wait one moment. Let me check something. Do you already always say thank you for the app, because soon we'll. Nah, yeah, that also. Just to be sure. Just to be sure. You always need to double check that. But yeah, always say thank you to the AI. Let me see what I wanted to do. Okay. But yeah, no, always say thank you to the AI. It comes down to that. Always be friendly to the AI. I do like the logo. I'm personally convinced about the logo, and I can sell that on the video. Because you'll need to like make a submission video, and then like yap a bit on camera and submit it. Hurt won't thank you and stuff. Was trading, or where people will be translating prompts to Mandarin. But you then get less credits. But yeah, you just say it at the end of your prompt. What I've heard. No, but won't, like, thank you, if you just add it at the end of your prompt, it doesn't matter that much. So what do you mean translating prompts to Mandarin? Is it then like less usage, or like what is the strat? Also, let me see. shotgun commands. But we like have unlimited tokens to burn. Like my tokens don't get empty. We can just burn for unlimited time. And we haven't even reached the 100 euro in extra tokens we got. Thank you OpenAI for like approving my product, because they have read my application. So somebody of OpenAI read it and was like, ah, nice, give this man his credits. So all good. Yeah, less letters, etc. I think. Less input tokens to reduce the amount of words used. The new tactic, man, the new tactics. But personally, I've never really had any problem with usage. Like, I've never had problems with it, but I've been on the high plans, so maybe that's the reason. In my opinion, just get a client. If you're like European American, get like a client 1000 euro or like 1000 USD and get a 20x. And then you don't have to worry about usage. On the 20x, you will be free. You're literally free. You don't need to, you can do anything. You don't need to wait, nothing. And you can easily make the first 1000 with the free plan even. That's the thing. The worst thing is that code system come to update on. Ah, true. But for me, it doesn't waste tokens, strangely enough, that much. And you get like free resets and everything. Also, Mime is currently, or well, Mienko is currently your account empty or not? 20. It is almost unlimited. When I had like 20x on Claude, I was always at like around 95% weekly. I would just building slowly to reach there. Yeah, I'm now just like chill building a bit, if that's what you mean. Okay, yeah, like unlimited tokens. But soon I'll probably, next month I'll get 20x on Codex. Like Codex has convinced me. Nice, nice. It's at 1%. Ah, okay. You're cooked. You're cooked pretty much. Also, why do I say the name? Mienko, what are you currently making? Like an app? Or what? I like forgot what you were making currently. Like, what did you use that all the usage like? That 90% of the usage got taken. Cool. So long to fix. Okay, see what. Okay, currently I'm not fully convinced about the design. Can you generate me a full prompt so I can put it into ChatGPT image for a full mock-up for the design? Or like a full design, and then you will replicate it. Sometimes that's decent to do. Sometimes I do it like this if I don't have creative inspiration. Because strangely enough, ChatGPT image can really cook up designs. And as far as I know, Claude can easily copy it, and I assume Codex can too. Or I'm pretty sure Codex can too. And then you can like generate fire websites. And animations you get from Envato. Just videos, photos. Different things I use at my company, but also in free time building my landing page. Ah, nice. An energy estimator, nice. Yeah, nice, welcome for Lewis, I haven't seen you in a while. I have still no clue what that means, phimosis. But welcome to the stream, I haven't seen you in a while. Let me see, it's fully making it. Also, let me double check something. Let me see, it's all good. Also, I'll make you mod for it, now I like see you in the chat. Here, add as moderator. Here. I just want to do it. I forgot to do it or like give it to you last time I saw you. Let me see. Now we'll generate a full mockup and then we'll go from there. I am curious though, like how exactly it will look and all that. But if we get a fire design, we just go and roll with it. I'll probably end the stream in 15 minutes or so, but for all the ones new in the stream, do say hi, let me know what you're currently working on, and so on. Also, let me check the... Alright, all good. Nah, I get that Forts, but nah, welcome. You have mod now, or the mods. I should don't. There's like 2 mod versions on YouTube. I don't know what it does, but just assume you have mod privileges now. Also, whoop. Let me see. But nah, I see you always in the chat Forts and always supporting, so yeah, mods. I am curious though, like if this image will be fire or not. Otherwise, I will like need to brainstorm what to do for design. But mostly ChatGPT image can really cook up the most fire stuff, and we'll go from there. Guided process. So I'm also like checking some stuff. I'm working on a coach agent and recipe. It's been nice. What kind of AI coach? Oh, well, I had kind of something like I had a fitness app with an AI coach. Recipe generator I don't have. I only have like a food scanner. And it works nicely though. But I will promote a fitness app later. But I'll like make some random calisthenics videos and just on Insta. I can have a good friend of mine that does that. Or well, not calisthenics, but just random deadlifting. And just posting it on like Insta. But it's like 50k. But like you don't get a lot if for like fitness influencers on Insta. If you have like 50k, you get like random pre-workout. So I'm also then gonna see if I can integrate something nicely in the app for people that have like a gym community. Just on social media. But we'll see for that later on. Guided the process, okay. Someone was making a MyFitnessPal clone with the food scan which got acquired by them, yeah? Really? Alright, yeah, I've heard of MyFitnessPal and it is weird. Did I remember the logo? Okay, yeah, this one. Ah yeah, nice, didn't even notice. My competitor is MyFitnessPal. Well, how much do they have currently? Because you need to think 2.3 million ratings and you need to then convert that into money. How much they make, it's kinda insane. Yeah, it's YouTube sometimes blocks things. I also find it strange. Sometimes you need to stand it again or like reword it. But that's like why I have this thing open to also... sometimes the messages don't come through. For some reason. Galea? Ah, is it Nice. Didn't even know that. Galea, that guy did make loads of money. But I know it's like also a separate app. Ah yeah, they just sponsor these guys because they're all famous influencers. Most of them at least. As far as I know. It's OpenAI API like it has chat ID so it remembers everything you tell it. Nice! Nice, nice. Also see what... I see potential in this. The homepage on the left, big fan of it. Also the second screen, I'm also a fan of, but we'll fine tune that more. But especially the left menu, awesome. Duplicate that. If you need an image of me, you tell me. But I have like this is nice. I'm like this already gives me a little bit more inspiration. For the second room, like for the overview, could you make it more visually appealing? Could you add an image in the middle and then also the usernames on the right and just generate me the full mockup? Just for the second screen. Just fully focus on the second screen, leave the landing page alone. I'm just talking some random stuff so I can like see visually. Okay, and then we have this. This I can make easily. This I need to zoom in. I don't know what that is. Actually, let me... Okay, it's a join room. Full picture, participant evidence. Okay, now all of this is actually really nice and sleek, and then we'll go with that. Some small things like no AI, so hello, just came with already. Yeah, I am currently gonna build split screen. It's like gonna be a media literacy exercise. I also don't know how this is gonna work yet fully, but we'll go off on it. We'll see. We'll see. And then it will be funny though. Like, it will be funny, and I have like some ideas. Check the previous message. Ah, wait, I didn't see. Check Project Showcase. Oh. Ah, okay. Didn't notice. Let me check Project Showcase. Let me see. I'll show it on the stream. If I can open it at least. Come on, Discord. Well, my Discord just froze. What the f... Oh, I just want to open the app. Crazy. Let me reopen and close Discord for a moment and I'll like go to it. What the fuck? First time that this happens to me, the Discord crashes or like freezes up. Give it a moment and I'll check it. It's like reopening Discord. Do I need to be level 1 to toggle option that? I think so, yeah, Jacob. It's level locked. I'm not watching the finals today. I don't really follow football a lot, but I might. I just follow it like in like just quickly the recaps, but not that in depth. Shot, quick capture, studio capture, studio grab text. Wait, what exactly was this? Just what exactly does this do for the screenshotting tool, or just to add it? Because it's not clear to me in one go what this does. Or well, maybe it's just a landing page. It isn't there yet. For me, I'm not that clear what a screenshot after capture, mark, share capture. But isn't that in general already built into most, or like in, for example, just Apple? Like I can add it stuff here, all that stuff. It's just not, why, like wait, pitch it to me. Why would I use M-Shot instead of the built-in Apple thing? I'm not being like rude or anything, I'm just like for the pitch. It's like the elevator pitch. Like why would I use that instead of the current built snap tool? This is a record MP4, but that you can also do with most stuff, or well, even built in. Well, just give me the elevator pitch. Like, why would I use that instead of the Apple or the built-in screenshots maker or the quick capture? Cool, it does take a while, strangely. It is nice, like the time does go fast, but like streaming is nicer. The vibe coding makes it go fast, and the streaming too. We'll probably end the stream in 7 minutes or so. We didn't do a lot, but I'll let the AI just work on the background on it a bit. But I'll probably just record some random videos where I'm like giving motivational speeches. Let me see. Okay, this is nice too. I can screenshot it. Try adding something like this for in the banner. It's Windows only and it has some nice features like OCR for private. Okay, record screen, mic cam. Okay, that's not screen co and magnify. Okay, that's nice. So the color picker is nice. The magnifier is already built in most of the tools. Spotlight also built in. Share links via. What do you mean share links via links? Some of the features are nice though. It depends how you will promote it. So we can press Ctrl Shift R and mark text on page and it. Okay, that's nice. Then you. Okay, then never mind that. Then the tool is good though, but you just need to promote. Promote it. You don't have the landing page yet. It needs to be clear for the users. When you build the landing page, I'm already just telling, I'm not judging, etc. Or we're being rude. Just make the landing page and make sure that everybody knows, okay. It's simple to understand for people and not immediately think, yeah, but I have the built-in Apple or the built-in Windows screenshot maker. Why do I need this? But isn't there with Proton like that? I don't know for that I don't know, but I do know there's like just I know a lot of the things you do say are built into Windows and Apple. So you just need to like add some extra features so it doesn't. And you just need to promote it well, because most people will also think like Aaron and me, like, why would I use this instead of like the built-in screenshot maker? Because yeah, grab text, if it's like a video, maybe. Also has some private screenshots and you press a button, for example, for blur. Press like fit. Okay. If you add more things like that, that is nice though. That you just don't manually need to blur it. For example, I don't know if Apple or Windows has that, but I know Apple has like the blur. Also private. Oh, okay, nice. And what do you mean private? Just automatically blur private information, you mean too? Yeah, that is nice though. If it just automatically is able to detect all. If it's able to detect all legal and privacy information in one go, that is nice though. I made something like that before, like for the stream. It works, it just like censors all my specific things. I don't leak my API keys, my emails and all that stuff. But it automatic. Okay, nice. Actually, the big verse is what my. Oh, you can always change the tail after like man. You're just. Yeah, true. YOLO Saga. Also, I'm curious. Or I was just curious on your profile if you had like a link to that project. Ah, okay, you do. I'm just curious. The recipe app. I'm just genuinely curious and not like you like going on the users or like people their profiles. Let me see. Turn any recipe into structured data. Nice. Nice. I'm just curious for the GitHub. Okay, the GitHub doesn't work, the button, strangely enough. Ah, this does look nice. Also nice page, nice AI image. The GitHub doesn't work though, but maybe it's supposed to not work, who knows. Nice. Now, let the AI cook, and then we can see what he like brings up. I will end the stream in like 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna cook some food and then we'll see. Do some other projects and let this one like go on autopilot. Also, documentation features is already built into it. You can screenshot like walkthrough step. Nice. Okay. Then it was just not clear to me first because it seemed like just like a standard screenshot tool. But like if you add all of those features all in one, then it does start like to be a good product or like a nice add-on. I know Rapid API, or I think I know it. Rapid API. Let me see. I mainly use Appify for all those things. If I can open it. If you end stream, then you go to Tommy's stream. He'll be live in like 20 minutes. Guts, like in 20 minutes or so. And around like 20 minutes or so he will be live. Or well, 20 minutes, 1 hour maximum, 1 hour or so. Didn't like. Yeah, nice. Feature suggestions, I don't really know if you feature this. I don't really know features, but design, I would add a light mode. But the design does look nice. The design looks nice. I would just add a light mode. Like some people like having that, like dark mode, light mode. It's like needed in this day and age. It's because it's use OpenAI to survey the Lloyd. Ah, okay. Delete. Ah, okay. No. But shouldn't you just have the GitHub open? Or just that people be able to like connect their own OpenAI tokens to it? Or well, I have it, never mind, it's like a paid program. Unless you're like open source, then people can choose either you pay me or other way around. Yeah, same. And once it does really release Mienko, do send it in the project showcase. And the whole thing of $Vibe Club, normally the link should work. Go to $vibeclub.com. The whole goal of this is, because I haven't said this enough, is like to help startups, to like be the office of the future, to teach people that you can truly be financially free online and just be a startup incubator. That's the whole dream, or well, the whole idea of Vibe Club. Nah, and also same, I'm also down to test it and just send it once it's all fully up and running. Send another screenshot again, let me see. Ah, nice! Okay, never mind then, and you have most of it. I'm thinking of the design, but again, it's hard to see on just one screenshot. But it does look good. I don't really have anything to say about the design of the tool itself. And I would just start building the landing page and just make it clear that not the first people that see it are like, ah, that is just a screenshot tool. Make it clear that it's more than that. Just that it doesn't like distrust people or like scare them off. What I did is that I upload public Git on my Git, indeed it like connects to rest. Ah, okay. Yeah, no, I was wondering like why the GitHub button wasn't working. Okay, but I'll end the stream probably here. I'm gonna cook some food, so I'll probably cook some lamb because that's what I mainly cook. Or when I like had a good stream. My approach is to make it clean simple. Nice. But I'll end the stream here. I'll do some talking for the last 5 minutes. No, but genuinely, truly, it's now to be the day. It's the day and age to be alive. It's as simple as that. You can make money out of thin air. You can become a millionaire out of thin air. I'm not a millionaire yet, but I will be one. And the next year, I'll make $1 million. I will make $1 million today. As simple as that. And I already know I'm gonna make it. You need to imagine, I'm an 18-year-old. I'm fresh out of high school. Got to travel Thailand. I got to travel Asia for some time. Just by making money online. And worst case, like if I was still in school, I would have been 7 years sitting on that desk, studying to be a bookkeeper or like finance guy, and I would be making less. Then I would have been making way, way less. First need to study 7 years, and then I would be making less than I do now. And the world isn't fair. That's simple as that. You can print money out of thin air. Everybody can literally print money out of thin air on Fiverr. It doesn't matter what you do. E-com, Fiverr, making your own apps. It's literally money out of thin air. And that's simple as that. So everybody lock in. Also the LE Git. What do you mean which app? Mobile apps is just via Apple, and web apps for Sal, Replit. All my commercial products go via Replit. But okay, back to the motivation. You can make as much money, like the Californian Gold Rush. This is the next gen 21st century equivalent of the Californian Gold Rush. Except everybody can make money. It doesn't matter if you're broke, you just need $100 or not $20. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed. I will be live every single day for the coming 8 months. Working every day, doing random buildathons, working on Fiverr, making Vibe Club, making content, and just showing y'all it's truly possible. I'm 18 years old, I got my own place, and I'm going to be live every single day.